Yes.
My lord, I am in this for the applicant, my lord. I request some time in this case, my lord, today. If some accommodation, my lord, can any date after 2 weeks is fine, my lord.
No, you are for the
Applicant, my lord.
in the
Headmaster.
IA.
Yes, my lord. In the headmaster. Yes, my lord.
Okay. On request made by ABD, let me counsel for the applicant. When do you want?
Any date after 2 weeks, my lord.
Is the matter after 2 weeks?
Deeply obliged, my lord.
What's it waiting for listing of a repetition, my lord? Lastly, listings on 22/5, my lord, with a direction to 4 weeks, my lord. Next week, any date, my lord?
Next week will be difficult. We'll have it on 7th.
7/8. Obliged.
My lord, I filed one IA for correction of the cause title of writ petition. My lord.
That has not come up.
No, my lord, I have filed it yesterday, my lord. It may be listed tomorrow, my lord, so that we can take fresh steps. My lord.
Okay, let it come up on Monday. You filed it yesterday. What's the urgency? Monday.
Please, Lordship. My lord, item 62, Lordship, that was fixed matter, Lordship. The petition is retiring on 1st of August, Lordship. My lord, if time does not permit, Lordship, it may be taken up at 2, Lordship.
We'll see. Okay, we'll see.
62, Lordship.
We'll see.
Mate, period.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 57. Contempt matter. Maybe please after 3 weeks. Contempt matter.
You are the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Why do you want it adjourned?
That's it.
Why do you want it to be adjourned?
Because I have filed another repetition, lordship, in regarding this. Nothing.
On request made by Mr. Demanda.
Demand.
No need counsel for petitioner. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
Yes, after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I am praying for listing of writ petition for orders, lordship. May I pray the lordship may kindly take up this matter on Friday, lordship?
Not Friday.
But there is an urgency, lordship.
What
Urgency,
urgency is
urgency,
that?
lordship. The petitioner has not been allowed by the respondent authorities to appear in the final examination, which are going to be held from 5th of August, lordship.
5th of August.
Yes, lordship.
Okay.
Obliged, lordship. May I please? I am praying for listing, my lord. Any day, first week, my lord. August.
9th August.
Maybe listen, lordship. Lordship, kindly allow this 2 matters for listing.
9th.
9 August. Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 31 for adjournment at the counsel of the petitioner is out of station.
Item
31.
31. You are praying on behalf of?
Mr. Anish Borvaya, petitioner.
On request made on behalf of Mr. N.H. Bharboyal and the counsel for the petitioner. List the matter after.
1 week. Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a pending matter, my lord, wherein notice for interim has been issued for consideration, my lord. Not the opposite party has entered appearance also, my lord. Some urgency is there, my lord. May I pray to list it on Friday, my lord?
What urgency is?
Lord, the interim order, we are, Lord, expecting that, Lord, for the appearance. I am eligible and qualified. I have not been given the charge. Obliged.
May your lordship be pleased? I would like to mention item number 30 may be adjourned for today as my senior is on out of station.
Your item
Item number 30.
30.
30.
RC Psychia.
Yes, sir. Yes, lordship.
On request made on behalf of Mr. RC Psychia, the counsel for the petition. List after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
May it please, your lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 27 for adjournment, lordship. I've already informed the other side.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, lordship.
Okay, on request made by MS N. Begum, the counsel for the petition. List the matter one
Lordship, in a week.
after.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention writ petition 2491. It was last sorted on 10/5/2024 and it may be it must be sorted on, sort on 37/2000.
No, no.
Thirty.
12 August.
12,000. Okay.
May I plead the lordship, I beg to mention for listing, Your Honor, WPC 1849.
12
Obliged, Your Honor.
August.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition for withdrawal.
When?
Lordship, tomorrow.
Friday.
Obliged.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing two contempt matters, my lord. May I be on 31st?
Second.
I am also.
May I please, my lord, I beg to mention on admission matter for listing on Friday only.
What?
On admission matter, my lord.
Admission matter.
Item, my lord. It
Not
was
Friday.
then on Monday, my lord,
31st.
31st.
Item 1 of daily leave. Motion.
None appears for the petition. This after 1.
Two.
My lord, with the consent of the petitioners, I want to withdraw the contempt petition because thereafter the commissioner pass an order and thereafter we have challenged against this order. The matter became
So they have complied with the order passed by this court.
no. We have challenged in another
No.
writ petition.
The order
It is-
passed in the writ petition
It is regarding NOC, my lord, pharmacy council.
that was complied with by passing that order against you. Isn't it?
Yes. Thereafter, we have challenged
Anyway, you have challenged the
in
different.
another,
So the direction given in the writ petition has been complied with.
no, they did not comply. I want to withdraw the matter. my lord. This honorable court passed an order 7/9/2023 for
7
9/2023.
page.
Annexure 6.
So in terms of this direction, the secretary has passed the order, correct?
My lord, in our institute, some laboratory deficiency was in earlier order was there. But
Whatever it is, in terms of this order, the secretary has passed the order.
yes,
So the order is
Thereafter,
complied, order
we-
is complied with.
we have challenged
Anyway,
this
that's a.
order in another writ petition.
Okay, Mr.
A.K. Hannan.
A.K. Hanan, learned counsel for the petition submits.
Hmm.
The respondents have complied with the directions passed by this court. Who appears?
No, the first time.
No, notice is not gone.
My lord,
Okay,
my lord, the order we have challenged by writ petition, my lord.
that's why
Yes,
already what the direction was given that they have done it.
yes, and we have challenged, my lord, agreed by that order.
So you are appearing or he is appearing?
He is my.
Mr. A.K. Hanan will remember counsel for the petition. Submits the during the pendency of this, after filing of the present contempt petition. The respondents have complied with the directions passed by this court. In view of the above, contempt petition is closed.
Three.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, this petition is filed for non-compliance with the order dated lordship 22/6/2023 lordship's order. Page 11 is the lordship direction.
Hmm. When was the order passed?
Lordship, 22/6/2023, Lordship. We
So
have
the
given the representation page 12, Lordship, on 19/7/2023, Lordship.
19/7.
19/7, Lordship.
So period of limitation.
1 year, Lordship.
Then?
Lordship, regarding this, I will satisfy your Lordship. One judgment is perhaps one judgment
Have
is
you
there,
seen the latest judgment of the Supreme Court? Check it out.
Lordship. Lordship, 2 days time you will give.
On request made by Mr.
PJ Datta.
PJ Datta and the council. Please the matter after 1 week.
Bless.
Four.
Madam, this is regarding the midday meal rice meal. We are school managing committee. Earlier, our school was evaluated with some other high school millet, and subsequently by order of the Honorable Bishop Code millet, it was evaluated. And the only order is I have an next millet. Now millet, what happened as per the after DM we should get everything rice, midday meal millet, that but those are not we are getting millet. And midday meal funds also there millet, the one we are not in a position. And salary of our school millet and madrasa millet staff, those are also coming millet through the high school.
Yes.
And
Lordship, your Lordship may issue notice, Lordship. We will have the formal instruction, Lordship.
You have got your instructions.
Not yet, sir.
You will issue. Heard Mr. Roshi. And the council. Issue notice. Mr. PN Cham.
PN, sir.
Learned Standing Council.
Standing council, Lordship.
Eligibility. Appears for respondents, 1 and 2. Oh,
No, Lordship, one,
okay.
One,
one,
three.
three, and four, I am appearing, Lordship,
Okay, Mr. SMD Chisti, then Standing Council,
for secondary education, Lordship.
Secondary Education appears for respondents, 1, 3.
One, three, and four.
I am for 5.
Am I appearing, Lordship?
5, 7, Lordship.
No, how about 2?
2 is Lordship.
Elementary. yes,
Lordship,
he-
2.
he lecture.
Mr. B. Chapman,
Five.
Standing Council, Elementary Education appears for
5 and 7, Lordship.
5 and 7.
8
And Mr. G. Begul and the Government Advocate appears for respondent number 6. Who is this 8?
8 also, Lordship, DEO, otherwise. I will.
9 by register post.
Petitioner to take extra copies. Petitioner be to take steps for service of notice on the respond number 9 by registered constable within 1 week. Yes.
Within 4 weeks, millet?
Yeah.
No, not long, it is for about 1 year we are suffering.
Right, please, your Lordship. My lord, it's related to the family pension share of the second wife, Lordship. There is a government notification, Lordship, that if any grievance is there, page 38, Lordship.
1 minute. Page.
Lordship, page 38, Lordship, is the notification dated 17th August 2022. Type copy and original copy is 39. Last clause, Lordship, D, if the family pension recipient does not divide the amount among the other beneficiaries at equal share, and on receipt of such complaint from the eligible family members, the competent authority shall issue orders appropriating the family pension among the other eligible family members, Lordship. Lordship, the first wife earlier approached this honorable court, Lordship, and while granting the page 31, while
Page.
page 31 is the order, Lordship, first wife, and she withdrawn the petition, Lordship,
In that time, I was there, the second wife, Lordship, the
minute.
paragraph 5. The Honorable Court observed that I was there in respondent number 8 as. Has a further grievance, then she may approach the appropriate forum towards the claim, her claim as her held in judgment so and so. Then, Lordship, I filed a representation while the first wife is not allowing anything, Lordship, because I have 2 children, Lordship. I filed a representation, page 33. With a request to pass appropriate order in terms of that notification, Lordship, in my prior portion, page 34. I have very much categorical, Lordship. At this stage, I pray, let the representation may be disposed of by the respondent, Lordship, with a time frame, Lordship, so that to enable me to get a separate order of family pension, because I have 2 children, they are not getting anything, and having school going children, they are, Lordship. So I
When
pray.
did you file this application? 10
Application was filed on 10/6/2024. It was sent by registered post. All the receipt, page 35 is annexed, Lordship. Because they are not, she is a poor lady, Lordship. Sent it by registered post, page 35, Lordship. So I pray, Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, I pray, Lordship, let my representation be considered, Lordship, by the authority, Lordship, respondent official, and pass appropriate order in terms of that notification, Lordship, page 38. With a time frame so that Lordship, she can get appropriate her family pension share, Lordship.
Yeah. The first wife's name is Hazira
Lordship, first wife's name is Hazira
and you are Hafiza.
Hafiza, Lordship. As per their version, Lordship, and she earlier also filed an affidavit in reply that she will provide my share, Lordship, but till date nothing has been, Lordship, done. No money was paid, Lordship, to me, Lordship, as well as the 2 other children also.
Yes.
That representation is there, otherwise the second wife is not entitled also. Of the dependent children.
Dependent children are there. Let the representation be considered, Lordship, because by virtue of the page 31 order of this Honorable Court, earlier, Lordship, while paragraph 5, Lordship, page 31. Because I am entitled to get it, Lordship. She has withdrawn, Lordship, while granted the family, because it was earlier stopped, Lordship, because of my objection, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr.
K. Majumdar, Lordship.
Majumdar, Learned Counsel. Also heard Mr. P. N. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education.
Respondent number 1,
For the respondents, 1,
1, 4,
1, 4,
6,
6,
7.
7. 6 and 7.
I'm for respond number 3, my lord.
Pension. Mr. G. Bekul, Learned Standing Government Advocate, appears for respondents 2 and 5. And Mr.
P. Sharma.
V. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Account, appears for the respond number 3. Stop. Para. The petitioner number 1. Before this court. Claims to be the second wife of late Salim Ahmed Harbuya, who died on 2/5/2022 while serving as a Hindi teacher of Nuka Mia Chowdhury MS School, Kazidar, Part 2, Narsingpur, Kachar, Assam. Stop. When the late Salim Ahmed Babu died, comma. He left behind his first wife, namely Hazira Begum Bharbuya, along with 3 children.
Page 17 is the next
And-
in certificate.
And the second wife, who is the petitioner number 1 herein, along with 2 children.
Page 17 is the
Stop.
next in certificate.
The pension papers. Where was the submission of the pension papers?
Lordship, page 21, Lordship, 3/8/2022.
The pension papers. Were submitted on 3/8/2022.
Page 22,
Why
all
did the first wife file the writ petition?
Lordship, because I filed an objection, Lordship. Object,
Pension papers.
page 28 was my,
In favor of the first wife, namely Srimati Hazira Begum Barbuya, was submitted by the Block Elementary Education Officer, Narsingpur, Kachar, to the District Elementary Education Officer, Kachar, Silchar, by a communication dated 3/8/2022. Stop. Draft the petitioner number 1 herein, who is the second wife of late
Salim
Salim Ahmad Barbuya,
Ahmed Babu.
filed her objection.
Page 28, Lordship.
Filed her objections before the District Elementary Education Officer. No. Page
Page 28, Lordship, before the District Elementary Education Officer.
filed her objection. And accordingly,
Process of pension.
filed her objections praying to stop the pensioner benefits to the first wife of late Salim Ahmad Barbuya. Stop. The said objection was forwarded by the Block Elementary Education Officer, Narsingpur, Kachar, to the District Elementary Education Officer, Kachar, on
6/2/22,
on
Lordship.
6/2/2023. Stop.
23, sorry.
2023. Draft, comma. The first wife of late Salim Ahmad Barbuya filed a writ petition before this court, which was registered as WBC 2008/2023. Stop. During the pendency of the writ petition, i.e. WBC 2008 of 2023, the first wife of the petition and the
Paragraph 3, she has agreed, Lordship, to provide.
petitioner number 1 herein, who is the second one, came to an agreement, arrived at an agreement and the first wife agreed to share a portion of the pensioner and retirement benefits with the petitioner number 1 here. Stop it. Accordingly, WBC number 2008 of 2023 was disposed of on 8/2/2024, recording the agreement reached between the first wife of the petition between the first wife and the second wife of late
Present petitioner, Lordship.
Salim Ahmad Barbuya, with a further direction that if the respond number 8 oblique petition number 1 hearing has any further grievance, she may approach the appropriate forum towards her claim of maintenance, as has been held in the judgment rendered by the full bench of this court in Junufa Bibi versus Fatma Begum, within bracket Mustafa, and others reported in 2023, within bracket 1 GLP, within bracket F3 736. Stop. Para. By way of the present writ petition, the petitioner, who is the second wife, petitioner number 1, who is the second wife of late Salim Ahmad Barbuya, claims that the first wife of late Salim Ahmad Barbuya is, what are you claiming, is not
Lordship, to pass a separate order in favor of us, Lordship, as per notification, in a page 38, Lordship. Last clause, Lordship,
is praying for direction
143 to see amended rule.
to
Lordship.
pass inappropriate orders in terms of notification that it's 17 August 2022. Issued by the Principal Secretary to the Governor of Assam, ARTPBG Department. Stop. It is the further case of the petition. Number 1, that she has made a representation before the Secretary to the Governor of Assam, Elementary Education Department, on 10/6/2024, praying for pensioner benefits in her favor and also her 2 minor children. Stop. The said writ petition is yet to be disposed of till date. Para. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the Secretary to the Governor of Assam, Elementary Education Department, to consider and dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner number 1 on 10/6/2024 in terms of the notification dated 17 August 2022. Issued by the Administrative Reforms, Training, Pension and Public Grievances Department within a period of 1 month.
1 month.
1 month,
From the date of receipt of the certificate.
and in accordance with law, within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a copy of the order.
May I have some,
With the above observations and directions, we should initially discuss.
small prayer, Lordship, because my share may not be released, Lordship, because otherwise she is taking everything, Lordship. At least these 2 children, Lordship. The present petitioner's share may not be released.
Let
Lordship.
the secretary take a call.
Let the secretary.
Some observation may be, Lordship, on that. Much obliged, Lordship.
6.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, non-payment of pension, retirement benefit and pensionary benefit of the petitioner. The petitioner retired as the DI of schools on 31/7/2022. And thereafter, my lord, pension paper has been forwarded by the competent authority on 13/10/2022. Page 5, Annexure 5, page 15.
Yes.
Then next page, page 16.
Page 16, the entire documents, all these things, my lord, for the purpose of releasing of the pension, but till date, nothing happened, my lord. Representation also submitted on 29/4/2024 lastly. Page 36. Prior to that, in 12/3/24 also submitted. Page 35 and 36.
Yes, Fukan.
Lordship, first of all, Lordship, the petitioner has not made the director of pension a party. Secondly, my lord, the
Director of pension is not necessary because
my lord,
AG is the authority in this case.
second, my lord, the
Because he is
representation.
not the school teachers of a school. He is the DI of schools. Pension payment authority, authority is the AG is the authority.
My lord will.
Government will sanction, then AG will.
Notice may go, my lord. I will get my instruction. In the meantime, my lord, the representations which have been given have not been, there is no seal and signature whether actually the department has received or not. So that, my lord, can get my instruction there. At page 35 and 36, my lord.
Okay, then you take your instructions and come back. We are not issuing notice.
No notice.
But Mr.
SK Ghosh.
S.K. Ghosh, running counsel for the petition. You were serving as what?
DI of schools, Junai.
Hmm?
Deputy Inspector of School.
The petitioner. Retired from service on 31/7/2022 on attaining the age of superannuation while serving as district inspector of schools.
Deputy Inspector.
Deputy inspector of schools, Junai. Stop. Who is that annexure 5?
Annexure 5, it is forwarded by
Page.
page 15. District Elementary Education Officer to the my lord, Director of Elementary Education.
Thereafter, the district elementary education officer by a communication dated 13/10/2022 addressed to the Director of Elementary Education Assam. Forwarded the service book along with all relevant documents for allowing the pensionary benefits in respect of the petitioner. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that till date, the retirement benefits and pension has not been paid to him. Stop. For Mr. A. Fuka, the standing counsel, Elementary Education Department, pressed for some time to enable him to receive instructions. Stop. Praise Allah. List after 2 weeks.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Bhattacharya is the standing counsel for the AG Melo.
Mr. B. Shamal,
On behalf of Mr. D. Bhattacharya.
counsel appears on behalf of Mr. D.
D. Bhattacharya.
D. Bhattacharya, standing counsel.
Respondent number 4.
Public, please follow.
My lord, it may come up on motion, my lord.
Yeah, it will come up. I'm not issuing notice.
Much lord.
Deeply obliged.
7.
In this writ petition, Lordship, petitioner was appointed as assistant teacher Hindi on 7/4/94, Lordship, at the Korea Higher Secondary School, Nalbari, in the scale of pay 33. 1375 to 33, 1995 per month, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see annexure page 18, annexure 1, Lordship. He joined on his service on 8/4/94. Thereafter, his service was extended 19/5/95, Lordship.
Yes.
On 25/1998, the post of the Hindi teacher of the petitioner was abolished, and on the same day, he was adjusted in the post of the school allotted in the same school, Lordship.
Where's the
That is
order?
that order is, Lordship, kindly say annexure 2, page number 19, Lordship.
Page number?
Page number 19, Lordship.
Yes.
On 12/3/2004, the respondent authority created 459 posts, Lordship, and paid usual scale of pay, Lordship, and other allowance also. That is also page number 20, Lordship, annexure 3. Thereafter, petitioner post was regularized on 13/9/2005, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see annexure 4, page number 22, Lordship.
This annexure 4 is not readable.
Yes, Lordship, it's all eligible paper. How this kind of recruitment is allowed, Lordship? This will not be allowed, Lordship. All eligible papers, Lordship, all annexes were annexed, Lordship.
Lordship, I may be allowed to print it tab, Lordship. These are all eligible.
Not even annexure 1, page number 18 is not eligible, Lordship. Page number 22 is not eligible.
You have not given a typed copy at
Yes,
all.
Lordship.
What?
Lordship,
And even the
Lordship,
impugn order that which
I will
was
send you
challenged,
a copy of type, Lordship.
page 38, this is also not eligible. Lordship, may kindly peruse the page 38, 39 and 40, Lordship, so that it can be readable, Lordship.
40. 40 is the Lordship order, Lordship. That is only 40 page. Is that
No, we can't read it.
Yes, Lordship.
We can't read it. There's nothing. How do you read this?
Lordship, I will some time, Lordship, to type copy this.
First, the filing section should not allow this kind of repetition, Lordship.
Lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw this petition on liberty to file this petition again, Lordship.
That is fine. That is better. MS
Direct, Lordship.
D. Decal informs the petitioner pays for withdrawal of this petition with liberty to file afresh. Mr. SMT Chisti, the understanding counsel,
Second education.
appears for the second education. With petition of dismissal of withdrawal with liberty as paid.
Yes.
A
Lordship. Lordship, matter relates to non-payment of family pension, Lordship.
Family pension.
Lordship. In this case, Lordship, petitioner was appointed in a venture school in the year 1988, Lordship. And thereafter his service was regularized on 3rd of June 2013. School was provincialized in the year 2013, page 11, Lordship, annexure 2. Page 12, Lordship, kindly have a look. That is a photocopy.
Where's your name?
My name, Lordship, serial number 2, Shamsul Haq,
One
husband of the petitioner, Lordship.
হ্যাপিং অফ তার রেগুলার হয়েছে পৌঁছেছে তার পিছনে 3 বছরে মহিলা 3 মাস এখন যদি পেনশন এলিজিবল হবে
Lordship, then here, Lordship, kindly come to page 19. He expired on 2/4/2013. 2/4/2013.
Page.
Page 19. Next page, Lordship, page 20. Next in hair certificate, Lordship.
And the Lordship kindly have a look at page 21, Annexure 6. His pension document was forwarded by the Office of the Inspector of School in the year 2017. That was forwarded on 13/7/2017. Till date, it was not released. My lord, at this stage, notice may go.
In notice go, I'll take it.
But L.R. Mazumdar is a council. Issue not. Mr. S.M.T. Chishti, understanding secondary education appears for respondents.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
And my friend for 4.
Mr. S.K. Medi, understanding council accountant general Assam appears for respondents. Notice of respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file application. List of proposals.
It will
9.
4 weeks. Lordship, the issue involved in this present petition regarding the pension of a stipendiary teacher that has already been decided by this honorable court, and your lordship has already disposed of similar matter, my lord.
First day, it cannot be disposed of, lordship, notice should go.
My lord,
Because finance is their view is required, lordship.
lordship may kindly peruse the order passed by your lordship, my lord.
That is their lordship.
Let them verify my documents, and if I am a stipendiary teacher, they have to grant pension.
But
to the
this kind of petition, lordship, cannot be disposed on the motion day itself. AG is a party, finance is a party.
Yes, my lord.
Let notice go.
The last portion, my lord. Paragraph number 8. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of directing the respondent authorities to verify the documents as regards the appointment of the petitioners as stipendiary teachers, and thereupon, after making necessary verification, if it is found that the petitioners fall within the ambit of the stipendiary teacher and were not granted the benefit of the pension under the Assam Services Pension Rules 1969, although the regular scale of pay was given to the petitioner, shall be granted the benefit of pension in terms of that issue has already been decided by this honorable court, my lord. So let them verify my documents. I have annexed, my lord, everything, my appointment order, my regularization order, the certificate of the basic training, my lord.
Yes.
First day, lordship did, lordship may any issue notice on returnable date, lordship may issue any. It's possible, whatever. Let us.
Or you take instructions and come back.
My lord. Let them take
There's no
instruction.
point in issuing notice.
Already been decided, my lord.
No, because they have been, there is a voluminous case, lordship. We have to verify a lot of things, lordship. So.
My lord,
They,
I have annexed the earlier order also, my lord.
they were sitting over the matter long back, lordship. Now they have come and, lordship, may, can you issue notice and lordship, I will.
Okay,
definitely-
yeah, Hassan, then council issue notice. Mr. S.M.T. Chishti, understanding council.
Restaurant number
Secondary education.
1, 3,
1, 3,
6, 1, 3, and 6.
1, 3, and 6. Finance,
Finance is restaurant number 2,
finance,
2 and 7. Yes, only I will inform those.
A. Chalial, understanding council finance appears for respondents 2 and
7.
7.
And my friend for 4.
State committee, understanding council accountant general appears for respondent number 4.
And Deuri for 5.
Mr. P. Deuri, government advocate appears for the respondent. Notice on respondents are complete, however, expected. List of the
My lord, in respect of other similar teachers, the authority has already initiated the process. So, my lord, observation may be that pendency of the petition.
petition shall not be a bar on
My
the
lord.
respondent to consider the case.
Only government advocate name may kindly be reflected in their call list. Lordship.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of the government.
Extra copies, lordship.
Then
Same, my lord.
Okay, in this case, I am representing respondent number 4. My name is.
You are appearing, Fukan?
Yes, lordship, I'm appearing for the elementary education department. You also, my lord, notice me go, my lord. The representations which have been given have not been received.
But instead of SMT 60, you say A. Fukan, understanding elementary education appears to 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, and 6. 1, 3, and 6. Yes. Then finance, A. Chalia. Then the standing council for finance appears for 2, 7, and 8. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Then
I'm representing respondent above each and every.
A. Chakravarti.
Each one.
Then the standing council, accountant general appears for respondent 1, 4. And Mr. B. Deoli, then governor advocate appears for the respondent 1.
My lord, that
Sir, reflect the name of the answer.
my lord, pendency shall not be occur.
That is,
My lord.
level,
Marvelous. My lord, with regard to my lord, the claim of computation of pension, my lord, the admissibility report has been submitted by the AG Assam on 13/6/2022, and thereafter medical report has been called for by the personal pension department, my lord, on 12/9/2023, page 22, and thereafter money has not been released, my lord.
where is that commutation report?
My lord, first 21, my lord, page number 21, admissibility report. Age of the petitioner is 71 years, my lord, and therefore it is as per pre-revised his pension, my lord, is fixed at 3,69,764. And for the technical formalities, my lord, with regard to medical report, that has been submitted also.
Yes. After this,
After this, my lord, no information to the petitioner whether whether his claim is rejected or accepted, nothing like that.
so you filed a writ petition.
Yes.
What direction was passed in the writ petition?
In the meantime, my lord, in the meantime, he has another writ petition that is disposed of by this honorable court, granting him one, my lord,
Okay, that's a definition.
different issue.
Yes,
I'm for the accountant general, my lord.
Accountant general, they have given their part. My main part is, my lord, with the government, my lord. This is pension and public grievance department. They have to respond, my lord. First.
yes, pension.
Accountant general come later on.
Let me obtain the instruction.
Yeah.
When did you retire?
My lord, I retired in the, my lord, 31st August, my lord, 2013, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. B. Purgaston and council. Stop. Mr. D. Deuri and governor. Shall you see this? List. After?
After 2 weeks, your lordship.
A date will be given after 2 weeks, my lord.
This the matter 9.
My presence going like.
B. Shamal, standing council, accountant general, appraised for the respond number.
7.
12,
Extra copy.
May I plead the lordship? Lordship, in this writ petition, my lordship, my grievance is that, my lordship, respondent number 2, the state level committee
has not taken decision as pursuant to the recommendation, my lordship, by the district level committee. My lord, page 24 may be seen, my lordship.
Page
24. My name is my lordship in serial number 1, serial number 2, my lordship.
1 minute. Yes.
Page 24. And name of tutor, my lordship. Serial number 2, my lordship. Dinesh Chandra Das, my lordship.
1 minute.
May be seen.
You the petitioner.
Yes, my lordship. And against Dinesh Chandra Das, it is a district level committee has recommended, my lordship, for provincialization of his service. My lordship.
Social science.
Yes, yes, my lordship. The matter has been unnecessarily kept pending, my lordship, till date.
When was this recommendation made?
My lordship, it is on 6/2/2018, my lordship. Next page, signed by the all members, my lordship. 6/2/2018.
Why are you coming so late?
My lordship, I have filed several representation has been filed, my lordship, by the head teacher, my lordship. And after exhausting all other remedies, my lordship, as a last hope, I have come to before the Honorable High Court, my lordship.
Yes.
My lord, as per the act, my lord, if he is deprived of my lord district scrutiny committee recommendation, my lord, then he has to approach the SLC matter.
I have been recommended, my lordship. I am asking only they should take
District
a decision.
Scrutiny Committee has recommended a case of the petitioner. His government says state scrutiny committee is not taking any
Perhaps
steps.
they may, my lord, rejected his claim. also.
No, my lords, they have not rejected, my
You,
lordship.
you take
My
instruction.
lord, I will take instruction. my lord.
But Mr.
SB lordship.
SP Laskar and the counsel for the petition.
Hmm?
The grievance of the petitioner in the present petition is that despite the district scrutiny committee recommending the case of the petitioner for provincialization as a tutor of social science in the Mahakal ME school.
Yes, ma'am.
Which district?
Karimganj, my lordship.
Karimganj.
Yes, ma'am.
The state level scrutiny committee.
Has
No,
not taken any
uh,
decision.
What did they say? Despite the district scrutiny committee recommending the case of the petitioner for provincialization of his service as assistant teacher. As a social science tutor
Yes, ma'am.
of Mahakal ME School, Karimganj, on 6/8/2018.
Yes, ma'am.
The state scrutiny committee, state level scrutiny committee
Yes, my lord.
is yet to take steps. Stop. MS Para. The SPT learner, standing council,
Elementary division.
elementary education department, press for some time to enable her to receive instructions. Please allowed, list after,
So 2 weeks, my lord, from it is Karimganj, my lord.
okay. After 2.
Yes, ma'am. Highly obliged, my lord.
13.
I'm paying for extra copies, my lord.
Okay, you finish extra copy.
May places. Matter relating to arrear salary out of refixation of pay lately, my lord. Out of refixation of pay, my lord. Part arrear salary, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, a statement was prepared by the block elementary education officer and same was forwarded by the DO. And DO has forwarded the letter before the director for release the arrear salary. my lord. That is, your lordship will find page 19, the statement. It was prepared by the block elementary education officer and forwarded by the DO, my lord. And thereafter,
You are still serving.
yes, my lord, I'm serving.
Then?
Thereafter, my lord, proposal was submitted by the DO to the director, my lord. Page 20, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, my submission is that, my lord, notice may go, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
In the meantime, tendency shall not be barred to release the arrear salary.
No.
you are serving as assistant teacher.
Yes, upper primary school.
Which school?
My lord, in page 19, my lord. Page 19, petitioner name and right side name of the school, my lord. Page 19,
Okay. But Mr.
R. Islam.
R. Islam, then the council. But the petitioners are serving as assistant teachers as at various upper primary schools under the block elementary education officer, Gauripur, in the district of Dupri. Stop. The district elementary education officer, Dupri, by a communication dated 28/6/2024, forwarded the error proposal in respect of the petitioners,
Yes.
in respect of upper primary school teachers who were appointed on 28/6/2016 under the block elementary education officer, Gauripur, to the the director of elementary education, Assam, on 28/6/2022. This was submitted on 28/6/2024.
Yes,
Why are you in such a
because
hurry?
without High Court's order, they will not release that.
No, that is not the proper.
Let
It is the case of the petitioner that despite the proposal being submitted, the petitioners are yet to be paid the arrear salaries. Issue notice. MS
M.
N. Fukan and Standing Council,
Respondent 1 to 4, my lord.
Elementary Education Officer, appears for the respondents 1 to 4. And Mr. A. Chalia, the Standing Council, Finance Department, appears for the respondent number 5.
pendency shall not be.
Respondents, notice on respondents are complete, however, extra copies, so respondents are allowed to file contract. This the matter of the forwards. Pendency of this petition shall not be a bar on the part of respondents to consider the case of it.
Obliged.
The registry is also directed to reflect the name of the London Standing Council of Finance in the cost list.
14.
May it please, your lordship. Petitioner before lordship, she was retired of service on 31/12/2023, my lord. And their appointment in the year of 1999. And on the basis of the condition of the appointment letter, my lord, it completed in junior basic training 2003, my lord. And my lord, they were not regularized. And thereafter, my lord, the scrutiny committee was held, given the order, my lord, that she is a regular teacher, my lord. And similar situation along with petitioner, my lord, regularized. Please may kindly see page 111, my lord, page annexure 20, 111, my lord. She was regularized on 11 April 2018, 11 April 2018. Same, all are same selected and same completed before 2005. They were completed basic training. My name is serial number page 20, next page serial number 28, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, some of the petitioner came before the Honorable Court. Honorable Court directed the give the all area along with my lord, pension, my lord. Please may kindly see pursuant to honorable court order dated, my lord, page 117, my lord. 117, my lord. And they are given, my lord, same selection, same way, they are given old pension, 120, my lord. Order dated, my lord, 30/10/2019, my lord. They are given as a stipendiary teacher, they are given all area, including that they are given the old pension scheme, my lord. And pursuant to that government, my lord, page 119, my lord. Page 119 and Annexure 22, my lord. They are given all area, as well as, my lord, they are allowing the regular pay scale, and as well as they are allowing them to govern old pension scheme, my lord. Last para, my lord, 120 last paragraph. In view of the above facts, it observed that since the benefit claimed by the present petitioner has already been extended, similar situated teacher quote is petitioner there. For you are requested kindly to comply the honorable court's order dated so and so and allowing regular pay scale to the instant petitioner with effect from date of passing junior basic training, along with area till the order regulation 11 April 2018. This is the regularized order, as well as allowing them to govern under old pension scheme, my lord. My lord, by petitioner is not given similar benefit, my lord. So, my lord, some of the two teachers are already not given the benefit, and honorable court issue notice, and my case maybe also may issue notice and pendants, my lord. Matter may be listed along with their. Because of that, my lord, as per the appointment and order, there is a condition that they completed the basic training and they are regularized, my lord. And they are completed basic training before 2005, that is 2003, my lord. So, my lord, at this stage, notice we can go along with matter may be listed along with this one.
But Mr.
N. Boraman.
N. Bora, council. Issue notice. MS N. Pukan, no. Standing council, elementary education.
Mine.
Appears for respondents, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, ma'am, 1 to 4.
Wonderful. And Mr. H. Alial and the Standing Council Finance appears for the respondent 5. Notice and responses are completed. All were extra published. Respondents are on the file after the application. List the matter after 4 weeks. Para pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar on the part of the respondents to consider the case of.
May be listed along with this, my lord.
List the matter of the 4 weeks, I said, along with WBC number 2948 of.
March
15.
Matter relating to my lord, correction of his birth certificate. Date of birth.
SEBA is the main party, their name is not shown in the clause list.
Government.
Correction of it, because I have already the correction of date of.
Then not a matter will fix on Friday, my lord, showing the name of Seva, my lord. I have already supplied copy, my lord. According to birth certificate, my date of birth is 30/10/1984, my lord. But arrangement according to SSS, say admit card, my lord. This was wrongly, my lord, put, my lord. This is 6.
Okay.
Because they are the main party.
Seva is the main party, my lord. But I have already provided a copy, my lord, but
Clause list.
for this, my lord, name has not been shown, my. That's on Friday, my lord.
List the matter again on 26. By reflecting the name of.
It's a TC
reflecting the
Sutia, my
name
lord.
of the Learned Standing Council
TC Sutia, my lord, Seva.
in the cost list.
Friday, my lord. Diploma.
16.
Me, please. Matter relating, matter exactly similar to the item number 13 matter. Here the LP school teacher only, difference is. And your lordship will find the statement page number 29 million.
Page,
Page 29 million. Statement of the area salaries. Page 29 annex D. And frauding letter, page 32 million. Same date. Million. Notice may go, Miller.
you should at least give them time to process the file and then take steps.
It was of 28 June lordship.
There's a certain procedure in the,
Millet, if notice is issued, ultimately time will take Millet. Millet, kindly issue the notice, Millet.
unnecessarily you have,
Minimum 1 month time should be given. As it was cause of action arising in 2016 Millet, from the 16 Millet.
but Mr.
R. Islam.
R. Islam, then is counsel for the petitioner. The petitioners are presently serving as assistant teachers
Lower primary
at
school.
various lower primary schools under the Block Elementary Education Officer Bama Gauri in the district of Dukku, Assam. Stop. The district elementary education officer by communication dated 28/6/2024 an address to the Director of Elementary Education Assam submitted the error proposal in respect of LP school teachers who were appointed on 28/6/2016 under the Block Elementary Education Officer. Gauri. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that despite the proposal being sent on 28/6/2024, the error salaries are yet to be paid. Issue notice. Mr. B.N. Sharma, Learned Elementary Education Department, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education Department. Appears for the respondents.
Number 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
And 5.
And Mr.
Chalia.
A. Chalia, Learned Standing Council, Finance Department. Appears for the respondent number 5. No. No, 6 respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavits. Please come to follow this.
Pendency shall not be barred.
Pendency of this petition shall not be apart before the, on the part of the respondent to consider the case of petition.
Deeply obliged.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of the standing council finance department because
17, impleadment of part.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship, I for impleadment of respondent number 12 to 15, Lordship.
where's 12 to 15?
17, no?
12 to 15, Lordship.
Adjudication.
What is 12 to 15?
Lordship, assistant professor. Lordship.
What is the ground?
Lordship, earlier petitioner filed a petition, Lordship, and challenging the advertisement issued by principal of Moridal College in respect of post held by the petitioner, Lordship. Then, Lordship, Honorable High Court order, Lordship, considering the facts and circumstances and issue notice lordship and also order that the selection and appointment of any of those post lordship will be subject to the final order of the honorable court order. Accordingly, lordship, therefore lordship respondent authority lordship accept the application form by fixing interview lordship. An applicant form inform the respondent by writing their respective letter and about the pendency of the case.
No, why do you want them to be impleted?
Because lordship respondent number 12 to 15 lordship already
Appointed.
Yes, lordship. It says they are necessary party lordship for implementation.
Yes. Any objection? You are free?
I am already appearing from respondent number 8, 9, 10, and 11.
Okay.
These also.
Third
are
MS?
completed.
P. Adhikari.
P.
Adhikari.
Adhikari learned counsel for the applicant. By this application, the applicants who are the lead petitioners
Yes, sir.
in WBC number 8068 of 2022 are praying for impleadment of from 12 to 15, isn't it?
12 to 15.
Of
12.
Dr. Simaran Ubadaya, within bracket chemistry, comma, Dr. Bhubanita Bhuyan, within bracket chemistry, comma, Dr. Ashish Sarkar, within bracket zoology, and Dr. Mausimi Rai, within bracket zoology, as party respondents number 12 to 15 in WBC number 8068 of 3. Stop. It is the submission of the petitioner, learned counsel for the applicant, that during the pendency of WBC number 8068 of 2022, the aforementioned persons have been appointed, and therefore they have been appointed as professor, as
Assistant professor.
where is the appointment order? Has been appointed as assistant professors in which college?
Memorial College. Lordship not appointed lordship approval the list of candidates lordship.
Huh?
Annexure FGHNI lordship. Page lordship 25.
What is there here? Where's your statement in the application?
Lordship comparative statement of candidature lordship.
Has been approved for appointment as assistant teachers under the Muridal College,
Yes.
Dhemaji, Assam. And therefore, they have become necessary parties in the said petition. Mr. S. Bhuya, learned standing counsel, higher education appearing for the opposite parties. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And MS
S.E. Ahmed. S.E. Ahmed.
S.E. Ahmed, Learned counsel appearing for the opposite parties. 8
8, 9, 10, and 11.
to 11. Have no objection. Or after considering the cause shown in the present application, the prayer for implementation is allowed. I is disposed in the main rectification in view of the order passed to be in I number 12. You keep the name, sir. Let so and so be implemented as party respondents number
12 to 15.
12 to 15 the present in the present. Stop. Issue notice to the newly implemented respondents 12 to 15. Stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice to respondents 12 to 15 by registered post CD within a period of 1 week from the date. List after 4 weeks. In the meantime, the petitioners shall also file an amended post.
Provincialization.
18.
May I please also? I is preferred for implement of the new incumbent. Once in Narayanpur, the Secretary Government of Assam Department of School, and Srimati Suranjana Senapuri Elementary Education. The earlier incumbent, they have leave their office, vacated their office, so which I have been stated in para 9, page 8. So the marriage, the respondent counter has vacated office of Secretary Government of Assam Education Janata Bhavan School.
In contempt matter,
Yes, sir.
third HHT learned counsel for the applicant. By this application, the applicant who is the writ petitioner, who is the petitioner in contempt case number 355 of 2007 is praying for impleadment of Shri. You just see from
Para 9, page 8.
page 3, huh? 8 way. As party respondent number
4 and 5. 3 and 4.
3 and 4 in contempt case number 355 of 2017 on the ground that the earlier incumbents have been transferred out and the aforesaid incumbents have taken over charge. Stop. After perusing the question in the present application, the prayer for implementation is allowed and is disposed. Or in the contempt, in view of the order passed to be in I number so and so, let so and so be implemented as party respondents 3 and 4 in the present contempt petition. Stop. Issue notice to the newly implemented respondents 3 and 4. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 3 and 4 by registered post ID within 1 week from today. List after 4 weeks. Petitioner is also directed to file an amended post type of
Okay, amend the question. Yes, obligation. Highly.
within a period of 1 week.
19.
May it be pleased, your lordship, I for impleadment of incumbents as a respondent number 4, 5, and 6, lordship.
Huh?
Respondent number 4, 5, and 6. Commissioner Narayanpur, Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Elementary Department, Suranjana Sanapati, the Director of Elementary Education Department, and C. Prabhat Das, the Deputy Inspector of School, Dogaon, lordship. Deputy Inspector.
I am for the earlier contempt, lordship. Let the notice go.
You want to get them implemented?
Yes, lordship.
Third MS,
S.A. Khalifa.
S.A. Khalifa and the counsel for the applicant. By this application, the applicant who is the petitioner in contempt case number 112 of 2021, correct,
Yes, lordship.
is praying for impleadment of page 3, 8 way as party respondents 4, 5, and
That's
6
it.
in contempt case number 112 of 2020. On the ground that the earlier incumbents have been transferred out
Yes, some of the retired.
Then
and the aforesaid persons have taken over charge. Stop. After perusing the question in the personal application, wherefore Commissioner is dispersed. Para. IA contempt in view of the order passed to the insurance. So let's so be included as party respondents. 3 and 3 2.
4, 5, and 6 lot.
Oh, the included as party respondents 4, 5, and
6.
6. Stop. Petitioner takes the for service of notice on the newly implicated respondents 4, 5, and 6 by registered post within 1 week from today. List the matter after 4 weeks. Petitioner is also directed to file an amended post title within a period of 1 week from today. Okay.
Admission.
My lord, here in case, my lord, I'm appearing for item number 21, my lord. Similar identical matter, my lord, has been kept as a part heard in another court, my lord, tomorrow. So may I pray for some adjournment or lordship can fix the matter along with that, man.
Okay, we'll adjourn the matter.
That will do, man.
On request by Mr. J. Bharpriya, learned counsel for the petitioner in WBC 4779 of 2017. After 2 weeks?
After 2 weeks.
List the matter after 2 weeks.
20 is also same.
Yeah, that is a common order. Okay.
22.
Wait, Mr. Lordship. In this case, my lord, petitioner is depriving for getting the old pension scheme, my lord. 22, no, it took. My lord, as per advertisement 1991, my lord, petitioner was selected, my lord. Select list was published 2004. Before that, he approached this honorable court, my lord, to publish the, appoint the petitioner. That is, my lord, page 21 is the select list, my lord. And his serial number is 17.
1 minute.
Boroma constituency.
What is this?
21. His serial number is 17, lordships. Gautam Thakuria. Then he approached this honorable court, my lord.
Serial number?
Serial number 17.
Of which
Boroma constituency. Boroma constituency. It's under Nalbari district, my lord. Then he approached this honorable court, my lord, and he obtained, not only he, many, my lord, to consider the case of the petitioner. That is page 25.
1 minute.
Yeah, I had to contempt to say, select for this.
Yes.
Then, my lord.
What happened after this select list was published?
Then, my lord, after select list, my lord, an appointment was made, my lord. That is to 2005, my lord. That is Annexa 4. After filing the contempt case, my lord, the Gautam Thakuria was, my lord, is hereby appointed temporarily to act as an assistant teacher in the Dhikia Kusi High School in the scale of pay allowance to admissible. But he couldn't join because the one city, Torlota Deka, she was transferred, but she is immediately reinstated. So again, they have issued another, my lord, another appointment. That is Annexa 27, Annexa 5, page 27. Lordship got it?
The service of Gautam Thakuria, BA, who was appointed as a assistant teacher, filed office order dated the high school. He couldn't allow to join. Is hereby attached at Namati Moja High School. Since he couldn't join, my lord, so he was attached at Namati Moja High School. That is 31/2006. Which immediate effect 24/12/2015, my lord. Then he joined, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, next in annexer, my lord, page 28, Inspector School, my lord, wrote a letter to the director, my lord, forwarding for application for opening GPF. And petitioner also filed several representation, my lord, to open GPF, but nothing has been done, my lord. Then I approached this honorable courts because since, my lord, the advertisement was 1991, my lord, under the Act of 77 Act, my lord, for provincialization of the high school, my lord. And my lord, though he was selected and as the published list was 4/1/1995, that too as per coach order, my lord. And similarly situated person who has already been appointed, my lord, they have obtained the GPF, my lord, except this petition because at that time, my lord, when list was published, some pick and choose manner was made. The person who is below to him, someone is below to him was appointed. Then again, my lord, the person who is outside of the select list, they have appointed like that, my lord. So he approached the honorable court pass an order that
Where's that order?
that is, I have annexed, no, my lord. Gautam Thakuria, my lord. That is page 25, my lord. I was not mentioned, of course, in this case, my lord, that pick and choose manner was held, my lord, because
That part we have seen.
no, I didn't mention.
No, after you applied for your GPF account,
The
what
GPF
happened?
account, but till today, my lord, nothing has been done, my lord. That is why I approached this honorable court. Government has filed an affidavit and deny my prayer, my lord. No? But in this case, my lord, several order has been passed by this honorable court. And one order also, your lordship's order. Okay? Kiman asile? Your lordship allowed to obtain the GPF, my lord, because select list was at that time 2004, my lord. And advertisement was 1991. May I place, my lord? May I place, my lord, one order passed by this honorable court, Samudra Haloi, similarly situated person. Don't know, no? To deduction. আৰু আছে নেকি নাই না নহয় আৰু ইহঁতক দিবলৈ
Okay. I'll come back after.
Yes, ma'am. Jo, এইটো আনিব দিয়ে এইটো কি ইয়াতে নাপালে ইয়াতে এইটো
Will find my lord.
Are you
My
sure?
lord, 1 week time may be granted.
No affidavit is necessary, my lord. Government has
They have
already
filed
passed
affidavit, so I
then
file our.
Okay.
showing the
Your good name?
Yes, so I am appearing on behalf of BK Das, my lord.
Mr. Sharma, Luna Council appearing on behalf of Mr. B.K. Das and the council petitioner. Prays for a week's time to file reply to the counter file for the respond number 7. Praise note this it is what 31st we'll fix
Yes.
it or 31st.
Oh, bless me.
Hello, bless. It was Friday.
24.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, during pendency of the writ petition, the proceeding was drawn, my lord, against the petitioner, and order was, my lord, communicated regarding termination, in against which I have submitted the reply, my
So
lord.
far as the required report is concerned, has been submitted, and a copy was furnished to the petitioner. He has submitted his reply to the inquiry report also. Now, my lord, the SSA is supposed to give the final order. They are praying for further 2 weeks time. On 9/7, we have got the reply from the petitioner.
এখন বিছানায় অবশ্যই ঠিকানা After 2 weeks. The allegation was my lord, unauthorized absent, my lord. I have explanation.
Third, Mr. M.J. Katil and the counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Govil and the standing counsel, SSA. Submits that the inquiry report has been submitted to the petitioner and the petitioner has met his reply to the said inquiry report. And the mission director, correct?
Yes, my lord.
SSA. He is doing what?
Now, my lord, he is supposed to issue the final, my lord, order
And the mission director SSA will be passing the final orders
in the proceeding.
in the proceedings. Stop. He therefore prays for 2 weeks time. Stop. The prayers allowed. Please stop to 2 weeks.
My lord, may I pray for a fixed date, my lord, otherwise there will be problem in listing the cases.
See, if I fix all the cases, if I give dates, again, only a handful will be given date. So let the case rotate.
25.
In this case, my lord, they were supposed to file the affidavit. My lord.
Lordship, I pray for some more time, your lordship. We have not received my instruction.
2022 matter.
Lordship,
What is wrong with your government?
Lordship, lordship, one chance may be given, last chance, lordship. Get the instructions and I'll try the lordship. I'll try, your lord. Because we have not received the instructions yet, your lordship.
I heard Mr. R. Day, then counsel for the petition. On request made by Ms. D. Mishari.
Secondary.
Standing counsel, Secretary Education Department. How much time?
Lordship, 2 weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks. Further time is allowed to file contract. Please stop to 2 weeks.
Obliged, your lordship.
26.
May I please, Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, we have a specific amendment regarding 2 dates of regulation of the private respondent number 6, Lordship. Though the director filed affidavit, Lordship, nothing mentioned, not a single word about regulation of service of the private respondent, Lordship. The director may be directed to file affidavit in respect of this specific amendment in the petition, Lordship. Otherwise, a court may be called for, Lordship.
Affidavit has been filed, your lordship. I would like to take you, your lordship, to our affidavit, that is page 83.
Respondent to?
Respondent to.
Yes.
Inspector of Schools, Dorong, white paper dated
Page?
page 83,
Okay, you're reading from?
top, your lordship, Inspector of Schools.
It starts with charge of principal. That is
Lordship,
page
sorry, your lordship, 83, 83.
83, I'm on 83, it says charge of principal of the school.
Inspector of the school.
82, it is page 82.
Okay, 83.
What director?
Your lordship, Director of Education, your lordship, that has affidavit in opposition has been start page 82 onwards. 82 onwards.
Respondent number?
2.
2, that starts from page 80.
Page 80, your lordship, but I would like to refer your lordship to page 82. Affidavit in opposition,
Correct.
paragraph 4. 82. Yes, your lordship. I'd like to read that, your lordship. That the deponent begged to state that consequent upon the retirement of Srimati Urmimala Bora Borthakur, that is principal of Kharupetia HS School, on 28/2/22, the inspector of continuation, your lordship, page 83. Inspector of Schools, Dorong White, later dated so and so, dated the 17/1/22, submitted the proposal for allowing next senior most eligible teacher to act as in charge of principal of the said school. Thereafter, considering the seniority as well as requisite qualification, etc., wide office order number so and so dated 28/2/22 allowed the respondent number 6, that is private respondent Kishore Kumar Sharma Borua, MA B.Ed Assistant Teacher, Sanskrit of Kharupetia HS School, to hold the charge of in-charge principal of Kharupetia HS School. Then, Your Lordship, being aggrieved, the petitioner who is subject teacher of Kharupetia HS School, Dorong, assailed the seniority of the respondent number 6, as well as office order number so and so dated 28/2/22, allowing the respondent number 6 to hold the charge of principal of Kharupetia HS School by filing one writ petition, that is being number 1675/22. And another one with petition number 1374/22 before the Honorable Guwahati High Court. Accordingly, the Honorable High Court, a wide order dated on 9/3/22 in writ petition 1675, the earlier writ petition which has been filed 22, suspended the order dated 28/2/22 that was issued by Director of Secondary Education. Thereafter, Your Lordship, in compliance to the order dated 9/3/22, the office order dated secondary education passed an order dated by so and so that has dated 14/3/22, suspending the earlier office order dated 28/2/22, allowed the inspector of school Dorong to charge of principal of the school along with financial power. That is continuation in page 84, Your Lordship. It is also pertinent to mention here that as regards the determination of seniority of teaching staff of Kharupetia HS School, District Dorong, following facts were considered, Your Lordship. While number one, while determining seniority for placing in charge principal, the conditions adhered to existing service rule, office memorandum, etc., as governed for selection of regular principal of provincialized secondary school were being followed. Number one, Your Lordship, that is Rule 31A of the Assam Secondary Education Provincialized School Service Rule 2018, as amended in 2021, prescribed the postgraduate teacher in class 2 cadre, and Rule 31B of the said service rule that specified the graduate teacher in class 3 cadre. Then thereafter, point 3 has also been followed, Your Lordship, that is Rule 12(3) of the aforesaid rule, hold that MA, MSc, and MCom with BT and BEd degree from any recognized university as minimum qualification, Your Lordship, qualification for the post of principal. Moreover, as per said Rule 15 years of teaching, 15 years of teaching experience in respect of postgraduate teacher and 17 years of teaching experience is required for graduate teacher for the post of principal of a provincialized secondary education, whereas the petitioner has not completed that type criteria, Your Lordship. I will be coming, Your Lordship. Page 85. Then thereafter, Rule 4. Rule 24(4) of the aforesaid rules allowed the seniority of graduate classical teacher of Hindi, Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian, Assamese, Boro, etc. from any recognized university is also conduct for consideration of promotion. Then, Your Lordship, as per Rule 25(4) of the Assam Secondary Education Provincialized School Rules 2018 as amended in 21, prescribed that the draft common gradation list in respect of graduate teacher and postgraduate teacher of a higher secondary school or higher secondary and multipurpose school shall be published by the inspector of a school as per procedure for filling up the post of regular principal. Then sixth, Your Lordship, however, the in-charge principal in a provincialized higher secondary school is given by considering the common seniority list of postgraduate teacher and graduate teacher of higher secondary school. Thereafter, the seniority of postgraduate teacher and graduate teacher of provincialized secondary school are being determined from the date of receiving postgraduate scale of pay and that graduate scale of pay respectively. In the instant case, Your Lordship, that is respondent number 6. Shri Kishore Kumar Sharma Borua, MA B.Ed graduate teacher, Sanskrit of Harupetia Higher Secondary School, received the graduate scale of pay with effect from 21/1994 and had completed 27 years, 11 months and 11 days of service. As on your lordship, count your lordship date 1/1/2022. Then on the other hand, the petitioner, here is the rising, your lordship. On the other hand, the petitioner, that is Suleiman Ali, MA B.Ed subject teacher, received the post, that is continuation in page 86, graduate scale of pay on dated 8/5/1996 and completed 27 years, 7 months, 23 days of service as on dated, if we calculate the date 1/1/22. So here it is, your lordship, 27, 11 months and 11 days. He is senior to the petitioner. So he was, his name has been recommended, your lordship. Therefore, from the above, it is evident that the respondent number 6 received the graduate scale of pay with effect from 21/1994 is senior to the petitioner. Who had received the postgraduate scale of pay with effect from 8/5/1996. Here he has been receiving it from 21/1994, the private respondent, and the petitioner has received with effect from dated 8/5/1996. This also clears the state that he is senior. The respondent number 6 is senior to the petitioner. Then thereafter, your lordship, accordingly being found eligible to hold the charge of principal, respondent number 6 was allowed to hold the charge of principal of Kharupetia HS School, District Dorong, office order number so and so, dated 28/2/22, as per rules. Hence, the claim of the petitioner to allow him to act as in charge of principal of the school on the strength of class 2 cadre is not tenable. This is my humble submission, your lordship. And then, your lordship, further in the instant case, Honorable Court, wide order dated 27/5/22, viewed that is paragraph 7, a contention raised that the seniority list in respect of a higher secondary school to be prepared by concerned inspector of schools, not by the principal of the institute, your lordship. Then, your lordship, we have annexed one annexure in paragraph 8, your lordship, considering all the prima facie legal issue that has been raised, your lordship. Here, the further effect of seniority list dated 10/1/22 shall not given its effect until further order it had been given effect. The consequential action be not given effect, your lordship. Continuation to page 87. However, Office of the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, issued an order number so and so, dated 14/3/22, by which the inspector of school, Dorong, was allowed to hold the charge of principal of Kharupetia HS School, Dorong. Further, the inspector of school, Dorong, prepared a seniority list of school of Kharupetia, your lordship. Seniority list of teachers, your lordship, from Kharupetia. They prepared one seniority list of teachers, and that was submitted by letter dated so and so on dated 21/7/22 to the office of the answering deponent, your lordship. Subsequently to that, your lordship, Honorable Court, wide order dated 24/8/22, passed in IA Civil number 1947/22, that is Kishore Kumar Sharma Borua and others, your lordship, vacated the interim order 27/5/22, and accordingly Shri Kishore Kumar Sharma Borua was allowed to continue to hold the charge of principal of Kharupetia HS School, wide order dated 29/9/22. That has been annexed, your lordship, that order 21/7/22 as annexure 1, your lordship, in page 89. Submission of seniority list in respect of Kharupetia HS School and academic records. Reference to DSC Assam letter so and so, dated 4/6/22. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to state that as per your letter cited above, the seniority list of teachers of Kharupetia HS School is prepared and the same is enclosed herewith along with the academic records of teachers. 4 numbers are called for, Your Lordship.
Where's the list?
Lordship, seniority is not subject matter in this petition, Lordship. That was earlier
I
decided.
will produce it here. It
Lordship,
has not
that-
been annexed, Your Lordship. I will produce it.
I have an explanation. Seniority is not the subject matter. After this round of petition, Lordship, I filed RT application and found that his initial appointment was for 3 months, then it was not extended, and subsequently he was regularized without any selection process. That is my abatement, Lordship. And Lordship may kindly have a page 11 of my petition, paragraph 9, Lordship. 2 days of regularization. His regularization is affecting my service benefit, page 11. Page 11, paragraph 9, Lordship, of the writ petition. These are subsequent development, Lordship. 9.
Respondent, private respondent, the 5.9. More mostly Prerequisite support respondent six. Seniority based on asset.
Yeah.
Lordship, page 24 is the appointment letter, Lordship. That was for 3 months. Then subsequently, he was regularized. 24, Lordship. And it's a D, Lordship.
What date is this?
Date is 5th January 1994, Lordship.
Yeah.
Bottom, Lordship. This was for 3 months on ad hoc basis, Lordship. Then page 29 is the Lordship regulation. 31/12/1994, Lordship. With effect from 1/7/1994, Lordship, and seniority list, that was statement of seniority, Lordship, page 38, Lordship. Page 38, annexer I, Lordship. Date of regularization is shown as 21/1994,
This
Lordship.
one down localized into study number, phone number, teachers or main idea list one. I have run myself. Additional.
Where?
Page 38, Lordship, serial 11, Lordship, serial number 11, Kishore Kumar Sharma Barua.
Which column?
Column number 9, Lordship, 21/1994, regular service. And earlier order is 1/7/1994.
Where is the seniority list prepared by the inspector?
My lord, so far his seniority is concerned, my lord, only his cases, my lord, speech, my lord. Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, had been this piece, my lord, earlier round of litigation. Now, my lord, he said, silenzing that, my lord, I have not, my service has been regularized without interview. That is his case, my lord.
Yes.
But I have filed a reply, my lord, he has not given any reply.
Lordship,
Earlier, my lord, regarding seniority, there is a earlier round of litigation that was
Earlier
dismissed.
there was a writ petition.
Yes,
Earlier
Your Lordship,
repeat-
which I have read, which I have already read in my
My lord.
affidavit. In
So
our-
now seniority part, he has, my lord, already lose. Now he says that my service, five respondent service has been regularized without any interview. That is his case, my lord. Now I have filed a reply. So that he has not got counter it, my lord.
Director affidavit is silent, totally silent, Lordship. 2 days of read.
Have you counted the reply of the,
I'll file, lordship, I'll file.
He has not filed, my lord, till now.
I'll file.
where's your affidavit?
My affidavit, my lord, your lordship will find it is, I have filed on 13/6/2023. A page number, my lord, it will start from page number 54. I am respondent number 6, my lord. Six.
This is 58.
Yes, that is start from 54 and page 62 is, my lord, interview calling regular for service, my lord. That is in my,
Pages are not telling.
probably, my lord, nowadays it's very difficult, my lord. All right, I'll correct it.
Anyway, give me, is it an annexure or your statement?
Yes, and it is a statement also, annexure also, page 62. Annexure 2, my lord.
Annexure 2.
No, my lord.
Nine six 94.
Yeah,
24. 24 May, sir. 24 May 94.
24 May 1994, my lord. 24 May 1994, Sri Kishore Kumar Sharma, I am Kishore Kumar Sharma, interview for regularization of service. That was my calling letter, and subsequently, my lord, page annexure, she is my lord, my regularization. Next, my lord, annexure 3, page 63, my lord, according to me, my lord.
So your date of regularization 1794.
94, my lord.
But that list shows 21/1994, lordship.
That is prepared by the principal.
Lordship.
That's why the inspector of schools, you have made a list, isn't it?
I mean, lordship, I may be allowed to file reply. Lordship, I may.
When did you file your affidavit?
I have filed affidavit on
2023 affidavit, you want to file reply today?
Lordship, I was relying on that director's affidavit. Lordship. They were the appointing authority, lordship.
You are challenging the regularization of the private respondent, and they filed an affidavit where the call letter for interview is annexed.
Lordship. I will file within 1 week, lordship. Within 1 week.
Okay, then let me.
All right.
Mr.
MQ, sir, lordship.
MQ Hussain and the counsel for the petitioner is allowed a week's time to file reply to the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 6. Please come to 1. Presently, you are holding in charge.
Yes, presently, my.
28.
Earlier, no, he claimed that I am the senior, he should be, my lord, appointed, but that was rejected by the honorable court. Now, my lord, he says, my lord, my original is not regularized. That is his case.
Okay.
Thank you. May it please, my lords. The petitioners before my lordship, my lords, are praying for provincialization of the educational institution as well as their services, my lords. If my lord sees the last order of 12.
Still no affidavit.
No affidavit, my lords. My lord, I'm praying for disposal of the matter, my lords. With a direction.
Yes. Which department is this?
Secondary education, my lord.
Secondary. Does last time NG Katania wanted time to file counter, you have not filed.
$28. My lords, may I just place the facts of the case, my lord? Because what they fulfill all the criteria, my lords, as provided under section 3.
Speak time may be granted, your lordship. I will file.
No, it was the last opportunity.
Have you received instruction?
No, your lordship, not yet, your lordship. But I will ensure your lordship 1 week time, last chance. As the
Already a last opportunity has been
last
granted.
chance.
My lords, first order, my lords, when notice was issued in the matter, my lords, is of 26th August. My lord's order. There is a observation, my lords, that an endeavor would be made to dispose of the writ petition on the next day. 2 years have gone by, my lords. They have not filed an affidavit, my lords. All I'm praying for is disposal of the matter.
Earlier, your lordship, B. Kaushik is appearing, your lordship.
Doesn't matter, my lords, it's the department. I am not concerned as to who appears, my lords.
Your
I'm only
lordship,
praying for a
I'm
direction.
appearing for the very first time, your lordship. So, your lordship, kindly considering that, your lordship, at least 1 week time may be granted to us, your lordship.
Heaven will know. My lord, what I'm praying for, my lords, they fulfill all the requisite criteria, my lord. If a direction is issued to the secretary, my lord,
Instruction
to
is
take a
not
decision and
available.
pass a speaking order, my lord, that would suffice, my lords.
Instruction is not available, your lordship. I'm asking.
Instruction
I'm
will
praying
never
your
come, my lord.
lordship.
2 years have gone by.
I will ensure
Every
you,
day,
your
my lord, a
lordship.
different
I
council
will,
will appear and make a prayer of this sort, my lords.
I'll file affidavit, your lordship.
Are you sure you can file your?
Yes, your lordship. I will file, your lordship. I'm ensuring you.
Okay, heard, Mr.
P. Chaudhary, my lords.
P. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the petition. MSP Das, learned standing counsel, secretary education. Prays for week's time as last chance to file counter affidavit. Prays allot as last chance. If the affidavit is not filed by the next reasonable date, this case shall be disposed of on the basis of materials available on the court. Please known after a week.
10 days time.
Now 10 days, my lord.
Now you go 10 days.
There has to be some sort of fairness at least.
This, your lordship, will be needed, your lordship, to communicate, your lordship. And for vetting, your lordship, I have to send it, your lordship.
Okay, 6th May.
Yes, your lordship. DP obliged.
6th August.
Oh, I'm sorry. 6th
August.
No, 1 minute. Let be 5th August.
My lords. 5th August.
DP obliged.
29.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this matter is regarding the inequality of the grade pay, my lord, to the petitioner. The petitioner before your lordship is the assistant teacher of a high school, my lord. And earlier, my lord, he was the headmaster of ME school, and that ME school was amalgamated to the high school, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, some sections of the assistant headmaster have been paid, my lord, 9,400, while, my lord, we are given 8,700. My lord, precisely, my lord, this is the grievances. Since other similarly situated assistant headmasters are given, my lord, more, and why you are not given the similar, my lord, amount? That precisely that is the grievance, my lord.
Yes. This is also secondary. Yes, secondary. You said you wanted to file affidavit in the last occasion. No affidavit came.
Here, your lordship,
Or, my lord, page 32, my lord.
P. Mushari will be appearing, your lordship. So after some time, your lordship, matter may fix after some time, your lordship. Kindly matter may pass for time being, your lordship. She will be appearing, your lordship.
32.
Lordship, here, my lord, pleadings are complete, lordship. So, my lord, if it's any hearing this, my lord, hearing it, because or lordship.
You want it to go for hearing?
Lordship, pleadings are complete, lordship.
Okay, it is submitted by the parties. The pleadings are complete. Accordingly, issue ruling. As one parties are represented, no formal steps are required. Is the matter for hearing after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. No. Look,
33.
I saw.
May please your lordship.
Actually, we were supposed to file affidavit in this matter. So, lordship, the instruction that were sent to us, the records, not instruction, lordship, were misplaced in our chamber, lordship. So, after recovering it, lordship, we have already again sent it to the department for the providing the instruction, lordship. So, some time will be required. Lordship, but in other occasion, have made an observation that endeavor should be made, but lordship, because of that difficulty, lordship, we could not file that. We had misplaced the record in our chamber, office chamber.
You have misplaced the record or the parawise comment?
Record, Lordship, not parawise. So again, after tracing it, recovering it, we have forwarded it to the department. Because they were asking for the record also. So this is the difficulty for which we could not, let's say at least 2 weeks time be required.
Last occasion it was considered for only for the reason that though I am serving, I'm not getting anything.
Okay, heard, Mr.
Current salary, if lordship permits, I deserve it, madam.
Let it come. Heard, Mr.
Jai Avedin.
J. Abdin Learning Council for the petition.
No, this is the respondent.
I'm for the applicant.
Okay.
IA.
Who's the petitioner?
Petitioner, that's it.
Yes, I tell them that.
He got the stay, my lord, against me.
Okay, heard, Mr. S.I. Talukdar, Learning Council for the petition. Stop. Mr. A.R. Tapildar, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education submits. That,
Some more time.
that the records were misplaced by the Office of the Government at Assam.
No, Lordship, in our chamber.
Okay, that the
In the
records
chamber of
were
the
misplaced in the chamber of the
council, land council.
Learned Council for the Secondary Education Department, Higher Education Department. However, the same is been traced
And forwarded to the department.
and forwarded to the department for receiving necessary instructions. He therefore prays for some accommodation to enable him to file contract. Praise allowed. Please after
2 weeks, not. So, on the gateway.
My lord, only I would pray that your lordship may give a date, my lord, because I am the sufferer.
Yes.
12 August.
Lordship, after 15, can it be after 15? 15 after
19th of August.
21st, my lord. 21st. August.
You want it on
21st.
Please the match on.
obliged.
Deeply obliged.
My lord,
we challenge this order that is the stigma is brought in service book, but this allegation not unfounded. And respondent number 6, he is appearing for that. He wanted time, but last occasion 12/6 also they have taken time to file affidavit. Till today no affidavit file. 12/6, my lord, 2 weeks time is taken. So the petitioner is suffering because his career in service books are comments, remarks is that he's callous and he's so that should be adjudicated, my lord. And he is not.
I'm appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5. Counsel for respondent number 6 has informed and taken our consent that he needs some time to file his affidavit. Because of some difficulties, he could not appear to me. But his son has examination, that's why he had to go out of station. So kindly some time may be granted.
My lord, your lordship may fix for admission hearing in Tuesday, my lord. Matter is very simple. So discipline.
But then if they have not filed a counter affidavit.
They have not filed, but nothing is unfounded allegation is
They had
there.
made some specific allegation against respondent number 6. Therefore, an opportunity may be granted. to file an
6 says that there is the 2 allegation that the exam marks was not uploaded to the GU portal, and but 6 has received it, and we have by affidavit says that his signature is there. The only point is that they have to controvert that yes, he is received or not. And only this same things when unfounded allegation, he is demoted from HOD. Not only that, in service book, in red ink, this written. So that is the scar against this petitioner. And he has a brilliant career and he is suffering for last 2 years. That is why he approached this honorable court. So maybe hard admission.
One opportunity may be granted.
Yes, let them.
How much time does he want?
2 weeks.
2 weeks in 12/6 also 2 weeks. Now also 2 weeks that they have lingers the matters, my lords. In next week, it should be.
I'll give it as a last chance. No further time.
1 week will be given. Fixed.
But Mr.
MJ Bodwai, yes.
Learning Council. On request made on behalf of Mr.
I'm making request on behalf of Mr. S. Chakravarti.
S. Chakravarti, learned counsel for the respondent number 6.
And I'm appearing on behalf of 4 and 5.
He is 4 and 5.
2 weeks for the time is allowed.
How's
As
that?
last chance to file contract.
That may be fixed, man.
Let it come, we'll see, less after 2 weeks.
Because he has a bright aspect, he cannot apply for that because of their lot scare.
35.
May I please your lordship? We have received the written instruction filed by the Director of Elementary Education. So I pray for.
You file your affidavit.
No,
We have not filed, but my lord, we have already served a copy, yes, copy of instruction to the petitioner, my lord. My lord, kindly produce last order, my lord. As per the order of this court, my lord, we have already submitted the copy, my lord, to the petitioner.
Written instruction.
My lord.
This will suffice.
My lord. Because my lord, in the instruction, we have specifically stated, my lord, the respondent number 6 and 7 has been working in the school, my lord. Their allegation is, my lord, there is no teacher, my lord.
Yes.
In response to this written instruction, we have filed additional affidavit. We will file.
You want to file?
Yes, I will file. I will file, my lord. I will.
Okay, Mr.
A.K. Hannan.
A.K.
Hannan.
Hanan, learned counsel for the petitioner, praise for filing an additional affidavit. Praise allowed. List after?
2 8, ma'am.
Obliged.
Highly obliged.
36.
In this case, my lord, I need some accommodation, my lord. Instruction is awaited, my lord. Instruction that I am going to say. It may have taken up on next week, my lord. Already his prayer has been rejected, my lord. So that instruction I have received. Prayer rejected, that is under challenge, your lordship.
That
That is under challenge, my lord. And lordship, the ground for rejection was that the district scrutiny committee had not recommended, whereas I have annexed the DLC scrutiny committee report. Lordship asked to produce the DLC recommendation from last week. That is awaited, my lord. So I need some more time. Almost 2 months, your lordship.
Okay.
Next week,
What, Mr.
MH
Laskar, learned counsel for.
A date may be fixed, your lordship.
On request made by Mr.
P. Talukdar.
P. Dalukta, learned standing counsel,
Elementary division.
elementary education department.
Next week, candidate, my next week.
Is the matter on 2nd of August.
My lord. Obligement.
37.
Obligement.
So, yeah.
What is Samatu? Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, this,
Affidavit has come.
my lord, this is regarding, my lord, the in charge of a higher secondary school, my lord. And admittedly, my lord, the respondent have already admitted that I am the senior most, my lord, teacher in the higher secondary school, and also I am having the requisite qualification to be the principal of the. But only, my lord, they are saying the predicament is this, my lord, that I have obtained MA degree without permission from the concerned authority. That is the only predicament, my lord, they have raised in their affidavit. And to that effect, my lord, this honorable court has already held also that if someone is has taken degree, my lord, without permission from the authority, my lord, while in service, then my lord, they may pursue, my lord, departmental proceeding or something. And otherwise, my lord, the petitioner is, since he is deserving, my lord, he is entitled to get the in-charge principal. Now there is no principal as such, my lord. Principal has retired. Post is now lying back in, my lord. And therefore, I am the deserving person and I am the most, my lord, senior most person. So I should be given, my lord. That's, my lord, my prayer.
Secretary.
Please, your lordship. I already informed
Oh.
it.
And
Informed it, your lordship. D. Mushari, she's coming. I
In-
think given us,
37.
yes.
In fact, my lord, this matter was my lord, listed for time and again before your lordship also, and your lordship has already expressed your lordship's mind that since, my lord, I am having the most, my lord, senior most person having deserving qualification, and therefore I should be given, my lord. So otherwise, my lord, this way or that way, my matter could not be taken up, my lord. That is the only thing, my lord, that I have taken master degree, my lord, without permission from the authority, my lord.
Add to your lordship. Matter may fixed, your lordship. Already one matter has already been posted at fixed at 2.
And in the impugn order, my lord, page 27. My lord, that is also very clear, and their affidavit also very clear. They have admitted everything except that, my lord.
She came, your lordship.
Yes, Michelle.
Lordship. Lordship, yes. So here we have,
You file your affidavit.
Lordship, we have received our instructions. So we'll file our affidavit.
You have already filed your affidavit.
Affidavit has been filed, my lord, and the same stain has been taken, my lord. In the affidavit, my lord will find the same stain has been taken, that we are qualified. We are qualified. There is no question about the same. And in the impugn order, my lord, in the impugn order itself, it also says the same thing. The senior most, and that is the only thing. Here it was no High Court order. That I had it order. That was Krishna order. I was High Court put orders.
Lordship, I was not aware of this one, Lordship. No, we have filed our affidavit, your Lordship.
And this matter has been clarified also, my lord.
This has been clarified, your Lordship. Lordship,
On this point, my lord, there are several judgments of this honorable court, my lord, where it says, my lord, that if someone is qualified to be the in-charge principal, in-charge principal should be given to him. And if he has obtained the requisite degree, my lord, without permission, then the authority may, my lord, pass to the department of proceeding and all. But he is entitled to get it, my lord.
Are you ready, Mushari?
Lordship, today I'm Lordship, because here it has been settled, your Lordship, in where because if
Madam, I am
it is
having
not
two judgments,
taken, your
madam.
Lordship, that will not invalidate their degrees,
Correct.
Lordship. So that has been settled. So if he has the required if he has fulfilled his all the requirements,
It
your
is
Lordship,
admitted, my lord.
then he can be appointed as in charge, your Lordship. So a direction may be given. And if it is seen that he is eligible, your Lordship, to be appointed as in charge, then he can be appointed, your Lordship, because this has been settled, your Lordship.
So you want to discuss this matter?
Lordship, with the direction.
Okay, we'll continue at 2.
Lordship.
Item number 41 to 50, Lordship. These matters, Lordship, are fixed after 4 weeks, Lordship. Because the similar issues has been raised in that matter pending before the division bench, Lordship. That might have a hearing, Lordship. Lordship may fix after 4 weeks. 41 to 50. You are appearing in all the petition, for the petition?
Not in all this. I'm all this.
Mr. J. Abidin, then the counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr. B. N. Chaval and the
45 to 50.
because there is a matter pending before the division bench, Lordship, similar issue. Okay. Cancel it. Learned counsel for the parties. that a similar issue is pending before the honorable division. And therefore, praise that the matter be listed after 4 weeks. 4 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 4 weeks. Item 41 to 50. What you want?
I'm actually appearing from 45
no,
to 50.
41.
It's okay.
No, 39. 41 to 50. MS Chowdhury, Leonard, Senior Counsel, assisted by
R. Borua.
R. Parwar, Leonard Counsel. MSD Mushari, Leonard, Standing Counsel.
Secondary education.
Secretary Education. Is allowed 1 week time will do.
Lordship.
It's allowed a week's time to file an additional affidavit in opposition. Isn't that?
My lord, may I pray, my lord? Your lordship has already heard this matter for thrice, my lord. So can it be part heard, my lord?
Please call. When do you want?
Lordship, 1 week. Any day, your lordship.
Okay. First August. As part of.
Highly.
38.
May it pleases your lordship, pertaining to that, your lordship, I have received instruction, your lordship, but not able to download it, your lordship. So I'm not able to give your lordship. Just by.
My lord, let her file affidavit.
file your-
Yes, your lordship, I'll filing my affidavit.
After
What
2
MS
weeks.
KDV, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. MSB Das, Leonard Standing Counsel, Secretary Education Department, submits that she has received instruction. And press for how much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file contract. Yes, no, please take 2 weeks.
Deeply open.
22.
22.
My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner before your lordships, an advertisement was issued 3/9/2091, my lord. And before that, one Sri Prashanta Burman, my lord, approached this honorable court, Annexure 18, my lord. He filed an application, my lord, when the list was
In which page?
page, my lord, 18 and 19. When the list was not publishing, my lord, then one Sri Prashanta Burman filed a case, my lord, before this honorable court, and this honorable court passed an order, Respondent number 2, to take steps for publication of the select candidates immediately, not after 1 month from today. Then list was published, my lord, that is Annexure 4th June 1995, and Annexure 20 and 21. My name is shown as Gautam Thakuria, serial number 17.
Yes.
In this serial number, my lord, I have mentioned, my lord, that the person whose serial number is, my lord, 26 and 29, they were appointed, but mine 19 and 25. Annexure 7, my lord, page 7, F. Page 7, my lord, Rashid, kindly turn. I have mentioned that serial number 19 and 20 were appointed by the respondent authorities, my lord, from the select list. So being agreed, my lord, this petitioner approves this honorable court file WPC number 4036/2003.
Where is that?
Which is disposed of, and I have annexed that, Annexure 3. Page, my lord, 25. The petitioner shall make a representation in writing to the respondent number 2, namely Director of Secondary Education, Assam, stating his grievance. The representation shall be made within a period of 1 month from today. If such representation is made, the representation shall consider and dispose of the same by making a speaking order. The order which may be passed shall be communicated in writing to the petitioner, and a whole exercise to be so
Yes.
directed shall be, yes, my lord. Then what happened, my lord? Then they have, they issued one appointment letter, that is 24/12/2005. The order was, High Court's order was, my lord, 16/9/2003, my lord, and within a period of 1 month, they have allowed to pass a speaking order, but nothing has been happened, my lord. Then then we approached before this honorable court by way of filing contempt petition. Contempt petition number, please. After filing the contempt petition, my lord, that contempt petition number is, my lord, 615/2024. On the day issue notice, 21/9/2004, my lord, notice was issued, my lord. I did not mention in the petition, my lord, but in affidavit in reply I mentioned. Then, my lord, mention. Yeah. Then, my lord, that 2005, they have issued one appointment letter. That is Annexer 24 and 26. But he couldn't join because that appointment was once Seniority, my lord, Seniority, কি নাম আছিলে? It is a transfer order. Torulota Deka, who was transferred, my lord, but she did not go. She did not go to that place, my lord. She was remained there, so he could not join. My lord. I have mentioned, my lord, in my petition. Then what happened, my lord? Then he another appointment he got, my lord. That is 31/1/2006, my lord. Of course, it is written that he could not join, my lord. The service of the Gautam Thakuria, who was appointed assistant teacher of height order dated 24/12/2005 in Sojugushi High School, but could not allowed to join, is hereby attached at Namati Moja High School with immediate effect 24/12/2005. And it was issued, though it was effect 24/5/12/2005, it is issued 38/1/2006, my lord. Then, my lord, what happened next? Annexer, my lord, 28. Inspector school, my lord, after joining the school, inspector school, Musolpur, my lord, he forwarded a letter to the director, education BTC, my lord, for opening a GPF, my lord. And petitioner also filed several representation to open the GPF, my lord, but they have issued NPS, my lord, not GPF, my lord. Since the similarly situated person,
Where's that issuance of NPS?
it is Annexer 6, page 28. Inspector school, my lord, forwarded a letter to the director 9th March 2008, my lord. With reference to cited above, I have honored to forward here with the application
This
of
is a forwarding of the.
Yes, my
GPF
lord.
account, isn't
Yes,
it?
my lord.
After that, what happened?
My lord, nothing happened, my lord. Now he has come to know that now he is retired, my lord. Now he has come to know that he will get the NPS, not GPF, my lord. That's why we approached this honorable court, my lord, because since it is a direct appointment, my lord, he was selected, my lord. And if he would have been appointed, my lord, then he would have been received the GPF, my lord, because similarly situated person have already been received the GPF, my lord. And that too, my lord, the advertising was made in 1991 under the Act of 1977 Act for Secondary Education Act, my lord. At that time, GPF is available, not NPS. NPS issued on one notification dated 16/9. Hey, come here. 6/2/2009. There is a OM, my lord, issued by the government, my lord. Then if the person who is employed, my lord, in the government servant or service are regularized against regular posts after 1/2/2005, my lord, they will get NPS, not GPF. Since my appointment was in the year, appointment in pursuance to the 1977 Act, an advertisement was issued in the year 1991, my lord. So, result was issued on 24, my lord. That is 94, my lord. I'm sorry, 94. So I would have been, since my serial number is 17, the person who is below to me, they were regularized before me, my lord. And being aggrieved, he approached this honorable court. Otherwise, he would not have been filed case before this honorable court if he would have been appointed after 94, my lord. After publishing the select list, my lord. That is my pair, my lord. So I would have been received the GPF, my lord, not NPS, my lord. And Samudra, which I have been placed before your lordships, actually same the advertisement in the year 1991, my lord.
When did you retire?
It retired করব শাসন করেছে এফিডেভিট আছে নাকি 59 শাসন করেছে এই স্টুডেন্ট আছে একজেক্ট কব লাগিব রিপ্লাই এখনো রিটায়ার্ড বিল লিখছো নাকি না লেখা নাকি এইখানে ছাড়ব 22 বলেন কি এটা হয় সার্ভিস বুকের পাস না 7760 হলে কেটে হবে 1760 60 years কেটে হবে 1760 হলে 1760 হলে রিটায়ার্ড থেকে দেখে হবে 1760 20, my lord, 2020. 17 2000 31/7 2020. I have an ex-service book also, my lord. A different.
Yes. Are you getting your pensioner benefits?
My lord, I have not getting anything right now because since I have approached this honorable court, my lord, so he did not take anything, my lord, because whether it will be GPF or NPS, my lord, like that.
It's not GPF.
Yes.
All pension scheme, isn't it?
Yes, lordships. And similarly situated person have already been received GPF, my lord, except this petitioner because he was joined or he got received appointment later, my lord. Later on, the person who is 19 and 26, they have appointed, my lord, before the petitioner, my lord. I have mentioned in my petition, my lord.
Yes.
I saw. 9 5.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, we have
31
filed,
to
we have filed our affidavit, your lordship, and we have taken.
No, I'm 1 minute, huh? My lord, Gautam Thakuria from service book, my lord, retired on 31/3/2022.
Where's that?
From service book, but I have an X. Put an X. Additional affidavit, my lord, serial number 73.
Page.
Page 73. Shri, last line, my lord, Shri Gautam Thakuria, BA, assistant teacher, retired on 31/3/2022.
Yes. Lordship, he was appointed in the year 24/12/2005. He joined on 31/2006. and the new pension scheme had come into effect for 1/2/2005, Your Lordship. So accordingly, since he was appointed after the new pension scheme had come, Your Lordship, so he was allotted new pension scheme account, NPS account number. So he had been receiving, contributing in that account, Your Lordship. Lordship will see annexure 7, Your Lordship, page 31, Your Lordship.
Of
The writ petition, Your Lordship.
next year,
Annexure 7, page 31. This is his own letter, Your Lordship, to the Director of Director of Education, BTC Koprajhar, where he had stated
Yes, ma'am.
that my name was entered to the NPS instead of GPF account number on 2013. Lordship, from 2013, he knew that he had been given the new pension scheme, Your Lordship. So from that time.
But I want to enter the name of,
It has been
it is a repetition. And
there-
requested
there-
to enter his name as the,
There has been a delay. There has been a huge delay, Your Lordship. And Lordship, I would also like to place the Assam Pension Service Rules 1969, Your Lordship. Assam Pension Rules. Pension Rules. No, 2013, monthly policy. Lordship, Rule 31, Your Lordship.
yes.
31, Lordship. Conditions to qualifying service. The service of an officer does not qualify for pension unless it conforms to the following 3 conditions. The first condition, firstly, the service must be under government. Secondly, the employment must be substantive and permanent. And thirdly, the servant must be paid by the government, Your Lordship.
So he satisfies all this.
Lordship, he said
The only difference is that
Lordship,
he was appointed in
2005. So
and the pension rules, the NPS came into effect
2005.
So your contention is that as he was appointed in the year 2005,
Lordship, after coming of the new pension rules,
after
Lordship.
he will come under the NPS.
new pension.
But
scheme,
then
Your
the
Lordship.
issue is,
Lordship. Since the advertisement was on
since the
1991.
advertisement after that,
Lordship,
you did not
comply with the court's order.
Lordship, select list was published, but there was no appointment, Your Lordship.
there was appointment. There was
All are
appointment.
appointed.
Lordship.
Others were all appointed.
Lordship.
All are appointed.
Then
But then it was only on the strength of the court's order, Your Lordship, after various litigations.
because the petitioner was arbitrarily victimized,
Yes, my lord. 14 is violated, my lord. Article.
so he came to court.
Lordship.
That's the whole thing.
No, see, because a select list will not give him any right because he can only be appointed.
That's correct.
Not
That's
sure.
correct. But what about the others?
No, sir, others, they were appointed.
Below him also were appointed.
Yes.
They were appointed.
Why did you
26,
appoint
19.
those persons below him without considering the
Yes.
petitioner?
That is
No,
why
the
he appointed this
appointment-
honorable.
Their appointment was made before the coming of the new pension scheme, Your Lordship. Here he was appointed after coming of.
That's fine. The issue is this, once you publish the select list,
Lordship.
petitioner's name appeared as serial number.
It appeared in 17, Your Lordship.
17.
17.
Below the name of the petitioner,
19 and 26.
you appointed them.
Lordship.
If you have appointed the petitioner on time,
Lordship.
he would automatically come under the pension rules of 1967, 69.
69.
But then the delay was not because of the petitioner, but because
Because
of
of
your
the
election.
authorities.
So now you cannot say that, no, since you have been appointed in 2005, you are not entitled to it. That's the whole thing.
Lordship will allow me some time because I'll place a few decisions, your lordship. Today
Okay,
I
I'll
was
give
on-
you time. I'll give you full time,
Lordship.
but my decision may continue to be the same.
Lordship, I'll try.
My lord, he is
Satisfy your lordship.
retired, my lord. He's a retired person.
You're retired, but I won't
Oh,
keep you long.
yes, my
I won't
lord.
keep you a
Lordship,
long
no,
time.
not required, your lordship. Just, lordship, on Friday also.
Friday, this Friday, my lord.
Friday, I have six, how many cases? Many cases are fixed.
As a last item, my lord, supplementary as a last item, because she wants to place
No,
decision,
Friday and
nothing.
Monday, many cases are.
Tuesday, your lordship.
Tuesday then.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
At MSK, they will have conflict with that. Also, at Mr. B. Sharma, the standing counsel, I called them there.
There is no scope.
On request made by MSD Mishari, and the standing counsel. and
Secondary
Secondary education. Yes, the fact that I cannot-
Highly obliged.
Right.
29.
May I please, your lordship?
The counter has come.
Lordship, we have received our instructions, your lordship. We'll file our affidavit, your lordship.
Lordship, may I please, lordship? Lordship, instead of filing the affidavit, lordship, the matter may be disposed of by considering our representation, lordship. It's in Annexure Z, lordship.
Where's your representation?
Annexure Z, lordship. Page number 32.
Page number 32.
32, lordship. Yeah, lordship, we have filed a representation to the commissioner and it was forwarded to the secretary of the government of Assam. Lordship, if this can be considered and also.
This is not your representation.
Yes, lordship, but we have filed it to the commissioner and it was forwarded to the secretary. Lordship.
When did you file your representation?
What's the exact date?
How can we pass an order? You file your affidavit.
Not
Heard, Mr.
SN Ahmed.
SN Ahmed, Level Council, MSD Mushari, and
The secondary
Studying Council, Secretary Education Department. You have received instruction?
Lordship, we have
Submit
received
yes,
it.
received instruction. And press for?
Lordship, 2 weeks,
So,
3 weeks, your lordship.
Stand with file contract. Yes, sir. Please file.
Obliged.
Obliged.
62 of supplementary admission.
May I please, lordship? Well, in this case, my lord, on 15/8/1998, my lord, the petitioner was appointed as Arabic teacher, lordship. Well, respondent number 5 was also Hindi teacher, lordship. He was appointed on 17/12/1998, lordship.
1 minute.
Well, kindly see page 30.
H.
Page 30, lordship. 30. This is the, my lord, particulars of my lord, staff, my lord, for submitted for provincialization by the headmaster, lordship. It starts from page 29 and Annexure 8. Now the particulars, number 1, my lord, Umar Ali Ahmed, headmaster. Page 30, lordship. He joined on 22/10/1995. I have no, my lord, problem with him. Lal Mahmood, my lord. I have also no problem. Nadirul Islam, lordship. He is assistant teacher, my lord, respondent number 6 in this case. He joined on 1/2/2007. My lord, next, my lord, Azizur Rahman, I am the petitioner lordship, joined on 15/8/1998. My lord, Arabic teacher. Now respondent number 5, last one lordship. He is Abu Tahir, my lord, assistant teacher Hindi, joined on 17/12/1998. My lord, this is also admitted by the respondent number 6 and 7 lordship. No dispute is there, lordship. Now, lordship, kindly see the proposal, my lord, DLC proposal, lordship. That is at page 36, lordship. Page 36. My lord, the particulars is, my lord, at page 37, lordship. Serial number 1, Kasaribam ME Madrasa, lordship. Now kindly see Omar Ali, lordship, at column number, this is a 13th column, lordship. 13 column. Omar Ali, who was the headmaster, lordship. Next, Lal Muhammad Ahmed, he was assistant teacher, lordship. Nadirul Islam, respondent number 6, his date of joining 1/2/2007. My lord, Abu Tahir is HT for Hindi teacher, lordship. Abu Tahir, respondent number 5, his date of joining is 17/12/1990. This is 17/12/1998. This fact was, my lord, misrepresented, lordship. My lord, misrepresented. Against this, lordship, I submitted, my lord, appeal before the director, lordship. Elementary education, lordship. Kindly turn, my lord, my lord, reply affidavit, lordship. Affidavit in reply filed by the to the affidavit opposition filed by the restaurant number 2. My lord, kindly see last page, lordship. This is the appeal filed, page 82, lordship. Page 80. This was the appeal. It was filed on 28/2/2019. My lord, clearly stated. May I read, lordship? My lord, that sir, I was appointed as assistant teacher Arabic in Kasaripam ME Madrasa by MC resolution number so and joined in the service on 15/8/1998 and have been serving in the post since then. That sir, one Abu Tahir was appointed as assistant teacher Hindi in the same school wide MC resolution number 3 dated 17/8/1998 and joined in service 12/12/1998. That sir, one Nadirul Islam was appointed on 1/2/2007 and joined on so and so. That sir, Abu Tahir and Nadirul Islam is junior to me as per their joining report, but I am sorry to say that their name have been shown as senior to me as per district level scrutiny committee and have been forwarded for state level scrutiny. I am enclosing here with details of appointment and joining with resolutions of MC and the details of above said to teacher who are junior to me. Now, ignoring this, my lord, appeal, lordship, the my lord respondents have, my lord, provincialized the respondent number 5 and 6, lordship. My lord, that is, lordship. My lord, page 38. Page 38, lordship. Notification is there. That is dated 4th of February 2021. My lord, the particulars is at page 39, lordship. Kasaripam ME Madrasa, Umar Ali, Lal Mahmud, Nadirul Islam, respondent number 6, Abu Tahir is respondent number 5, lordship. Yes. Now, my lord, kindly see the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent. That is, of course, no is not an opposition, lordship. That is that affidavit supported the governments made by the my lord petitioner, lordship. My lord, kindly see at my lord, that was filed by the respondent of 5 and 6, lordship, jointly. Paragraph 7, kindly see, lordship. Affidavit filed by respondent of 5 and 6, lordship, jointly. Page. Paragraph 7, lordship. On the page. Page, lordship. Paragraph 7 at page 50. 1 minute. Well, paragraph 7 is at page 52, lordship. Got it, lordship. page 52,
Yes.
paragraph 7, Lordship. That the respondent number 5 and 6 further submit that the respondent number 5 was appointed as assistant teacher Hindi by the then management committee of Kasaripam ME Madras as per resolution number 3 dated 12/12/1998. 12/12/1998. Accordingly, the respondent number 5 appointed on 15/12/1998 as assistant teacher Hindi. And I had joined in service on 17/12/1998. This is specifically admission, Lordship. Specific admission of the respondent number 5, Lordship. Now, ignore it.
1 minute. Yes.
Whereas my date of joining is, Lordship, that was 15/8/1998. Or he joined on my lord 17/12/1998, Lordship. So he is junior to me, Lordship. Now,
This is R5,
sorry, Lordship.
respondent 5.
Yes, Lordship. Now, respondent number 6 is also Lordship. Even then he was provincialized as my lord assistant teacher, Lordship. Now, my lord, if one of them, my lord, goes, then I get the benefit, Lordship. Now, as per law, Lordship, kindly see 17 Act, Lordship.
Yeah.
My lord, is section 3. Section 3, eligibility criteria for selection of educational institution for provincialization of services of teachers, tutors. Subject to the provisions of Article 30 of the Constitution of India, the following categories of answer educational institutions shall be eligible for being considered for provincialization of the services of their teachers and tutors. Now kindly come to my lord Roman 11, Lordship. Page 111, Lordship. In case of Lordship, in case of Bensar Upper Primary School, there shall be minimum 3 teachers or tutors, at least 1 teacher each for science and mathematics. Science and mathematics, 1 teacher. B, social studies, 1 teacher. My lord, languages, 1 teacher. These 3 teachers are, my lord, compulsory, Lordship. Now, provided, Lordship, provided that for additional posts, it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standards stipulated in the schedule under section 19 and 25 of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Now, kindly see, Lordship, the schedule of this Act 17, Lordship. And as regards what is Arabic teacher, what is my classical teacher, Lordship? My lord, schedule, Lordship, page, my lord, in the book, Lordship, page 127, schedule 8, section under section 8, subsection 3, Lordship. This is, kindly see, Lordship, 1 upper primary school, Lordship. My lord, staff, kindly see, Lordship, upper primary headmaster, my lord, this is, my lord, a scale of pay, Lordship. Headmaster, assistant teacher, Jesuit, science and mathematics teacher, my lord, Hindi teacher, my lord, this is important, Lordship. Hindi teacher, Arabic teacher, language teacher, Lordship. In the ME Madrasa, because of having Arabic teacher, the name of the school is ME Madrasa, Lordship. In ME Madrasa, Lordship, my lord, if there is no, my lord, my Arabic teacher, Arabic post, my lord, Arabic students, Lordship, then it is, my lord, ME school or MB school, Lordship. My lord, in this case, my lord, the school institution was ME Madrasa, Lordship. My lord, in case of ME Madrasa, Lordship, the Arabic post is compulsory, Lordship. My lord, apart from that, Lordship, my lord, after completion, my lord, provincialization of the compulsory subjects, Lordship, 3 posts, Lordship. One is, my lord, science and mathematics, 1 is for languages, and 1 for social science, Lordship. My lord, After filling this compulsory subjects lordship, then tons of the, my lord, other teachers comes lordship. In that view, lordship, in this provision, my lord, there is no say, nothing, nothing is stated that it will be, my lord, provincialized on peak and source method by, my lord, Hindi teacher or like this, my lord. My lord, as per my lord, it should be, my lord, field of senior on the basis of seniority, my lord, if enrollment covers lordship. My lord, so the provincialization of the respondent numbers 5 lordship, ignoring the seniority position, my lord, ignoring the compulsory post of Arabic teacher in ME Madrasa lordship, my lord, this is highly arbitrary lordship. Even, my lord, that too, my lord, ignoring the appeal filed by the petitioner lordship. My lord, I am returning on the first day of coming August lordship. So, my lord, gross injustice is caused to the petitioner lordship. My lord, at least before retirement, he wants justice lordship.
Yes.
This is admitted case lordship.
See, we have filed our affidavit, my lord. In our affidavit, we clearly stated that the district scrutiny committee has not recommended his name, my lord. Therefore, my lord,
There was a mistake.
my lord. So, and he admitted that
Where's the affidavit?
affidavit page 40, my lord. Affidavit filed by the respondent number 2. And relevant is page 42, paragraph 6, my lord. The district elementary education officer Kamrup submitted proposal for technical service as per Act of 2017 with the recommendation of the district scrutiny committee. In which following 4 teachers were recommended against Kasaripam ME Madrasa Kamrup Rural District based on the enrollment position of school, which was 153 for 2016-17 and 170 for 2017. But the post of science teacher was not recommended by the district scrutiny committee for provincialization of service as per Act 2017.
The enrollment statement.
Based on the recommendation of district scrutiny, the proposal of receipt from the DO Kamrup was placed before the state level scrutiny committee, followed by the joint committee constituted the government, examined the proposal for provisional services teacher for PLP RUP schools as per Act of 2017. Under the chairmanship of so and so, the chairman Board of Secondary Education Assam, by notification number so and so. So, my lord, and he, in his repetition in paragraph 8, my lord, categorically stated that he was not recommended, my lord. So, there is a appeal provision, my lord, under section 14, my lord.
That yes, fine.
Right, my lord. So, my humble prayer before this, that the honorable court may direct the authority to dispose of the appeal filed by as early as possible, my lord. Within a time.
See, the appeal,
Appeal was filed in 2019
19, my lord.
before provincialization lawsuit. That was ignored. So, question of, my lord, disposal of the appeal does not arise lawsuit. It was duly received lawsuit. It was received on 1/3/2019. So now on lawsuit on 28/2/2019 lawsuit.
Yes, my lord.
yes. State level scrutiny committee also recommended the case of R5 and 6. And
Yes, lawsuit. Against that, I filed appeal lawsuit.
they were provincialized.
Yes, lawsuit.
Correct. Where's that provincialization order?
My lord, provincialization order is, my lord, at page, that is 38 lawsuit notification. My lord, pursuance lawsuit, pursuance of the government letter number so and so dated, so and so, and dated 31/2021. And in accordance with the provisions contained in the Assam Educational Provision of Services of Teachers and Organization of Educational Institutions Act 2017, the provincialization of services of 3309 tutors against 1698 of Benser lower primary schools and 6586 tutors against one so and so of recognized upper primary schools of 27 districts of Assam are hereby notified along with the district-wise number of schools with name of tutors whose services are eligible for provincialization as per Act 2017. Now, this is the particular lordship at page 39 lordship. My lord, it was obtained under RTI lordship Act. My lord, serial number 1 lordship. Serial number Kasaripam lordship. This is serial number 263 lordship. 263 Kasaripam Madrasa. Next third column lordship.
Are you challenging the provincialization order of respondent 6?
Yes, lordship. Both of the respondents, my lord, 5 and 6, I have challenged lordship. My lord, anyway, my lord, the respondent number 5 goes lordship. My lord, illegal is illegality lordship. That is of course lordship. Now,
No, if one of them goes, that's good enough for you.
yes, lordship. Hindi teacher go if Hindi teacher goes. My lord, classical teacher, my lord, special is Hindi or an Arabic lordship. 6 is my lord assistant teacher lordship. Even then lordship, after submission filling up the compulsory 3 course lordship, other assistant teachers, my lord, should be filled up on the seniority basis lordship. Other assistant teachers lordship. Compulsory subjects are 3 lordship numbers. My lord, then my lord, next comes my lord who is senior. Next time comes my lord to the person who is senior lordship. That is not done lordship. Against both them lordship, I filed appeal. That is ignored. Ignoring that lordship, the provincialization was done lordship. On false, my lord, representation of fact. This is highly illegally arbitrary lordship.
What do you say on the seniority?
Seniority, I have not disputed, my lord.
Enrollment proposal.
But my humble prayer, if appeal is pending, my lord, let them, government may take a call, my lord.
I am returning on 1st of August lordship. With this, my lord, 4 years, 5 years, it is not done lordship. Before provincialization also lordship.
Year to conclude.
No?
1 year later.
19 no.
No, year. It
This is must know. Tali for us.
No, 4 liters.
My affidavit of boy of the
Very bit.
because this like this.
My lord, he has not filed even a affidavit, my lord, in the petition, my lord. So,
It is already my lord on record lobby. It was served.
where is affidavit?
It was served.
It
was served. Without service, filing is not allowed.
Where's your affidavit?
Reply lordship.
No, your affidavit in the writ petition.
My lord.
Well, it was filed lordship. Without a petition, writ petition is not my lord.
List page 15.
15 with that certificate by him.
My lord, it is that during the period of my lord COVID loss. And the COVID during COVID period lordship pandemic, my lord, certificate was
During
allowed.
COVID period, there was any concession that no affidavit will be filed?
My lord, COVID period certificate was also there because of restriction loss. That is why, my lord. That is why, my lord, affidavit is not there. All the petitions during COVID period lordship, only certificate.
No. That is not the correct. That is not the
Certificates were-
correct submission. That's not the correct submission.
My lord, that notification is not me lordship. My lord, all the petitions I filed, my lord, with certificates, those are many petitions have been disposed of.
Where the notification?
That is not with me now, right now, Lordship. My lord, the filing.
Is there a notification? Huh?
Certificate allow. It is not to my lord, a lot of advocates Lordship.
So your submission is that as the DLC did not consider the
My lord.
district scrutiny committee did not recommend the name of the petitioner. So he was not
The petty
provincialized.
SLC, madam.
Basically, that is your answer.
Madam.
What about you?
Lordship. Kindly query page number 82, Lordship, of their affidavit, Lordship.
Page
82, Lordship. This letter issued by the headmaster of Kasarabam ME Madrasa, Lordship.
page 82.
It's 82, Lordship, of their affidavit, Lordship.
Yes.
This letter issued by the headmaster, Kasarabam ME Madrasa. Headmaster, not party here, Lordship. His name already same, Lordship.
Page 82 is the
Letter issued by headmaster, Lordship.
no.
It's an extra one, Lordship. Letter date 28/2/19, Lordship.
Hmm.
Kindly lawyer person, Lordship. Yours faithfully, headmaster Kasarabam ME Madrasa. And headmaster was not party in the 8%, Lordship. So to have not party here, Lordship. As per provision section 14, appeal is there, Lordship. Last person, Lordship, lawyer person, Lordship. Yours faithfully, headmaster Kasarabam ME Madrasa. 28/2. This is not appeal, Lordship.
This is not your appeal.
Yes, Lordship.
Counsel.
Lordship, this is a.
Yes,
Of
Lordship.
course, it was by the headmaster, Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
Now, top my lord address Kalisi, Lordship.
Only revisit,
See,
Lordship.
for the headmaster Kasarabam ME Madrasa.
He has to file appeal, Lordship.
You have done something wrong here.
Yes, Lordship. Yes,
My lord,
suppress the fact, Lordship.
My lord, this is not suppression, my lord, I'm saying. This is on record.
How it could be appeal, Lordship? It's a representation,
The
Lordship.
headmaster seal is also there.
Yes, Lordship. Seal of the Lordship.
But in the second line of the, my lord, address, my lord, for the headmaster of the Kasarabam.
That is there. But then
Lordship.
have you made this appeal?
My lord.
Let me go to file the appeal, Lordship. As per section 14 of this act, Lordship.
You have filed no appeal. There's no appeal filed.
Yes, file appeal, Lordship. It is a provision, Lordship. Section 14 very much clear, Lordship.
Time is also not there, Lordship. Time is also not there, Lordship.
What can I do?
Yes, Lordship.
You file your appeal.
My lord.
That is the only thing this court can do.
Yes, Lordship.
2 days, my lord, can it be possible, Lord, to dispose of?
Now we are going to dispose of now directing you to file an appeal.
Lordship.
That is the only thing we can do. Because you have filed no appeal, I thought this was your appeal, but this is written by the headmaster.
Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
How can you say that this is your appeal?
We are ready to appear before the appeal authority, Lordship. Let it appeal for one.
Hmm?
That's not getting it out.
Have you filed your appeal or not?
My lord, as per instruction, my lord, it was filed, but my lord, this was submitted by the administrator lordship. Yes, my lord.
Can you check up whether you file your appeal? We can take up tomorrow or day after before you
Lordship,
retire.
yes, yes, lordship. Lordship, tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, Friday.
Yes, lordship.
Mr. M.U.
M.H. Ahmed.
M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel of the petitioner. Prays for days time to enable him to take instructions as to whether the petitioner has filed an appeal under section 14 of the Assam Education within bracket Provincialization of Services of Teachers and Reorganization of Educational Institutions before the appropriate authority. Praise the Lord. It's again on. It's 6. That day will dispose of this.
Day after tomorrow, lordship. How like this?
63 to 63. In this matter, I am sorry, my lord. In the last occasion, I took time to file affidavit, my lord. But today morning, I have received a paragraph reply, my lord. So, lordship may allow me 3 days time to file my affidavit, or lordship may proceed as per the petition, my lord. My prayer is kindly allow me 3 days time so that I can file my affidavit.
Within 3 days, can you file it?
My lord, I have received a today morning.
That's fine. After you receive the Parawa's comments, can you file it in 3 days?
My lord, if I file tomorrow, my lord, then matter may be taken on Monday or Tuesday. My lord.
What is the procedure? You draft the affidavit, send it down for vetting. After vetting, it comes back. Can you finish it in 3 days?
I will try. I will try, my lord. Then
Don't make unreasonable submission.
Lordship can take it up on Wednesday, Lordship.
Next week.
Lordship, next
That-
week,
that
Wednesday.
is a better submission.
Lordship.
Why
I am
you know very well that after drafting, it has to go for vetting. After vetting, it comes back. Then you file it. You can't.
Lordship, by Monday, he can file, Lordship.
Okay, I'm heard MS R. Chowdhury, learned counsel. Mr. P. Talukdar, learned standing counsel, elementary education department, suspects that he has received instruction and prays for which time to file counsel. Praise the Lord. You want a date fixed?
Yes, Lordship. I am out of service and my salary is also withheld since November, Lordship. And
Is on 2nd August.
it's a Friday, Lordship. Lordship, deeply oppressed. And Lordship, item 51, it has become infructuous, Lordship.
Item
51, Lordship, it's a order matters. WPC 4704, Lordship.
elementary who appears. MS R. Chowdhury, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter has become infructuous. Mr. B. Talukdar, learned standing counsel, appears for the elementary education department. The petition is accordingly disposed of as of the case.
Lordship, I'm deeply obliged.
obliged.
Order.
May I please also kindly peruse my lord last order dated item number 40, my lord. In item number 40. Last order, my lord, 21/6/24. P does will.
Yes. He does.
Till date, no communication has been made to the complete petitioner, my lord. Last more than a decade, my lord, they had stopped my salary. Repeatedly, one after another, they have taken plea, my lord.
Service complete होते हैं नहीं लेकिन service complete होती नहीं.
So with you also, no? So with you also.
I think that in this case, let's say director has repeatedly written to the DO Dhamaji to submit the training pass certificate, working period certificate, salary royal certificate, appointment letter, but from the district that
My
report
lord,
has not come.
it is reflected in the order sheet, my lord, last order.
Whether DO is, let him make the DO as a party lordship.
It is reiterated, my lord. The honorable court direction is only pay, give the salary and.
In Dhamaji, yes, lordship, in that period of time, all illegal teachers were appointed. That is the
No,
difficulty as a teacher.
No,
Is it permissible, my lord, legally?
21/6/2024 order. Read it. MSB Das was there. He does.
District career verification process. That verification process is yet not submit negative. This is a contempt petition. Whether lost the 5, 6, and 7 they have formally appeared. My lord, see, I think PDAS has appeared on behalf of the department. Lost on that day. I think someone has.
How can my lord instruction, my lord, sir? Repeatedly they have.
My lord, that standing cases are here to assist the court. Sometimes lordship, even though lordship this as per the rule, the service is not completed. We used to assist the court lordship. But whether formal services has to be lordship completed with just 5, 6, and 7 lordship.
Well, okay,
7
could
is
be
the main
election,
person.
maybe take it, my lord.
7 is the main person who is supposed to give
This is
the
the-
verification report lordship.
1 minute.
DO Dhamaji.
Have you seen the cost title?
Cost title it is changed. I have seen lordship. Cost title it was changed, but whether the service was completed, whether any formal workalam has filed with the DO Dhamaji lordship has appeared or not lordship. Because the DO Dhamaji by name is the made party as soon as 7. We cannot represent DO Dhamaji lordship. I think P does appear only just to assist the court lordship.
Notice are complete or not?
Already, my lord, complete. After impleading the new party, my lord, the matter is come, my lord. Last occasion.
Impleading was done. That is
They
all
have
right.
submitted instruction, my lord. On the basis of instruction, my lord,
We are assisting the
this
court
order
only,
is, my
not
lord,
on behalf of the
honorable
contempt.
court.
That is the difficult lordship.
One
Next
minute.
time we'll have to desist from this assisting lordship. If he wants to put the blame upon the lordship. We are assisting the court, that doesn't mean he will put the blame upon the respondent, upon the standing counsel. Officially, service has to be completed, lordship.
Notice is complete. After the amendment of the course title,
Yes, sir.
notice was issued.
Yes, sir. Whether DO appear out, because the verification report has been submitted by the DO, Lordship.
The respondents who are the
After impleadment, my lord, newly impleaded party, respondent number 4, 5, and 6, they have appeared, my lord.
Well, I don't know who
They have
appeared.
given, my lord, on 2nd of April 2024, they have
1 minute.
again, my lord,
D. Saika, G. Sharma, SMT Chishti, A. Deka.
That is for earlier. That is not for the present. That is for earlier Pitam Sogia, Lordship. And let me check the file, Lordship. Let me check.
Just
Let me confirm. I think that is for the earlier commissioner, Lordship.
my lord, in the second para, my lord, it is clearly reflected, my lord.
Yes, I was referring for the earlier director who expired long back, Sanjay Kumar Bhuya. That is my signature, Lordship. I am for Sanjay Kumar Bhuya who was expired long back, so he was gone. Then Pitam Sogia, Gunjan Sharma, and A. Deka. Just for Pitam Sogia who were retired 5 years back. So those were all earlier incumbents. Now new incumbent Narayan Kaur and Suranjana Sadapi and one DO Dhemaji. They have not yet appeared, Lordship. DO Dhemaji is the main person, has to be appeared. Lordship. We cannot represent district officer.
have you checked up that postal tracking record? That is the X, file X. Delivered.
It's for the commissioner
So
and
we'll direct them for personal appearance.
for
Yes, my lord.
commissioner and director. We are repeatedly writing to the DO, even on 23rd of July, Lordship. So I have the instruction, Lordship, that DO should given all the verifications so that we can process. Until unless that report came from the district, the DO may be very called for, Lordship. Why he is not submitting, Lordship? I am giving the last instruction, Lordship. In spite of giving repeated.
No, you are saying you are not appearing for any of the
No,
other. I don't know how, on what basis are you giving instructions?
No, Lordship, I am appearing for the earlier contemners. And now that as an standing.
No, they may be under the impression that you are appearing for them. Why don't you take appropriate instructions and come back?
From DO, I cannot for commissioner and director, Lordship, I can take responsibility, Lordship. But DO from district, I do not know him, Lordship, nor he whether he will engage me or either his private counsel, Lordship. That is his upon his prerogative, Lordship. As a DO being.
That's why don't
Yes.
you take proper instructions
From the director, I can take, Lordship.
from director and the
Yes.
secretary,
Yes,
both?
yes.
And
Yes,
the director and the secretary can be directed to take instructions from the DO,
yes,
whether he's appointing, since notice have been served,
yes,
whether he's appointing a counsel or he wants to appear in person before this court.
yes, that I can take. And whether whether the person who was Lordship make a respondent, whether he is presently holding charge or not, that is also I have to verify. Bitupon Hazarika, I have seen the name, whether he is there or not, Lordship, that I'll have to verify.
My lord, he is there, he sent a letter, my lord, on 2nd of April 2024, my lord, to the petitioner, 5/4/24, my lord, Bitupon Hazarika, District Elementary Education Officer. By recourse the matter, my lord. By recourse the, my lord, so cause, issue so cause, my lord, to the petitioner. And last occasion, my lord, they have taken different stand, my lord, by submitting some documents, my lord. On the basis of these documents, my lord, this honorable court has passed
That
this order.
document was that the
It is
director
clearly
has sought
reflected in the
report from
second
the
paragraph, my lord.
DO. Lordship, I can peruse the order, Lordship. The document that was posted by my friend, that is the director has and the commissioner has sought a report from the DO, Lordship. Because
No. He says he's now to carry out a verification.
Yes, my lord.
yes,
with regard to the appointment letter of the petitioner.
That is now to carry out the verification
And
process.
also to verify the existence of name of the petitioner in the district.
That is
data
why, Lordship,
record.
after verification, he had to submit the report, Lordship. He had to verify everything and to submit the report. The DO is not doing his duty, Lordship. Director and commissioner, they are repeatedly requesting the DO to make a verification and submit a report.
Have you seen the second para?
That I have not seen.
Read it.
It is to be stated, it is to be noted that this court by order dated 31/1/26 held the director eligibility release the salary area with effect from March 2011, and there is no further opportunity to carry out any fresh verification provided. It is not understood as to how, in the light of the direction issued by this court, so verification process is indicated in the communication. That is here.
Then
Lordship may kindly fix it on Monday, Lordship. I will get the whole picture, Lordship.
okay.
Yes.
Third, Mr.
A Gohan.
A. Gohan and Council. You are appealing on both for both the.
No, right now, Lordship, that I'm appealing for the, though I have filed
No.
for the earlier, that may not be
For the
the.
petitions. Stop. On request made by Mr. S. Chichti, Leonard Council appealing for the respond number 2. Correct.
Yes, Lordship. That
There is
is, yes.
the matter again on. Yes. We'll have it on 30, not
Yes.
Monday. Monday, there are many cases.
$52.
Urkaya Star.
I'm sorry, madam. My lord, I have taken step by Dosti mode, but there was some mistake on my part, my lord. Affidavit could not have been filed. So 2 weeks time may be granted, my lord, to file affidavit.
You have taken steps?
Yeah, I'm taking step. Dosti service, notice your duty, sir. And I need to file an affidavit to the next.
Mr. Eki Burkayastal and the council for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has taken steps for service of notice on the respond number 9 by justice service.
Yes,
And prays for how much time?
2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks time to file an affidavit to that effect. Praise the Lord.
And interim order, my lord, maybe up to 1 week.
Interim order passed early to continue till the next.
Oh, bless you, Lord.
53.
May I please, your lordship? Here, your lordship, we need to. 3
May I
weeks
please?
time.
Lordship, kindly may peruse 26 force order.
We need to file our affidavit, your lordship. Kindly 3 weeks time may be
Have you
granted.
received your counter, comments, otherwise?
Your lordship, extra copy, they did not serve it
Already submitted. First,
one time.
no.
We don't have, already we earlier, it has mentioned that 2021 matter, we could not able to trace the file, your lordship. So we asked for extra copy and they have not been served. Show us copy.
You show someone. The
Your lordship, kindly, last time, your lordship, last.
Lordship, we
Or
already 2
PDF
times.
will be given to us, your lordship. So PDF.
Why is it coming for orders? Are there any private respondents?
Private respondent. Yes.
Are there any private respondents?
No, Lordship.
Huh?
No.
Steps has not been completed, your lordship.
Why not? There is a principle.
There is a principal for Petta Higher Secondary, and that is respondent number 4. It is. I mean,
But to kindly may fix the date.
On your request.
Let them take their steps, your lordship, press. Steps only.
When was notice issued?
Move back to the regular mark to this.
Lordship.
This is here 1/12/2021. Heard Mr. S. Bodakor and the counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Majumdar and the Standing Council Secretary Education Department representing all the respondents. Issue notice.
Principal is there, your lordship.
Issue notice. No
Your lordship,
direction.
only PDF, if he is not able to give extra copy, your lordship, then PDF can also
Well,
be
can you
given,
give
your
us
lordship.
extra copy
2021
at least?
matter, your lordship.
Yes,
When can you
Extra
give?
copy
I will give.
already on the last occasion, your
Okay,
lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Shall furnish 2 extra copies of the writ petition to MSP Das, learned Standing Council Secretary Education Department. Today,
No, so tomorrow.
within 2 days from. When do you want?
Your lordship, tomorrow.
You want this listed tomorrow?
No, your lordship, because we need to obtain instructions. First, we need to construct the file, your
No,
lordship.
that's why.
Your
List the
lordship,
matter after
listed after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Master bless.
54.
Deeply obliged.
In the meantime, you can
Yes,
also
Your Lordship.
rectify that. Review petition.
Lordship, discuss your lordship, I am saying for list, taking this matter on next week, your lordship.
Your good name?
A.M. Khan, your lordship.
On request made by M. Khan and the council. This is the one.
Lordship, date may, yeah,
No, I'm not giving a date.
all right.
55.
Maybe lost. My lord, this non-convenience the order, my lord, the notice was issued and 2 times was step was taken, my lord. Bivu
Yes. Lordship, this matter may kindly taken about Friday. Here we have complied with the order, but the order has not come to me, Lordship. Right now, I will produce it on Friday or Monday. Any day next date, Lordship.
Monday then, my lord.
Heard Mr.
HL, my lord.
H. Halil and counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S.M.D. Chishti and counsel appearing for the respond number. For the sole respondent submits that the respondent has complied with the directions passed by
Yes.
this court.
Yeah.
And praise for listing the matter again on, when do you want?
Any date, Friday, Monday, Lordship.
Monday, my lord.
It will be disposed of, Lordship.
On 29th of
Yes.
July 2024 to enable him to produce the compliance report.
Hello, lordship. May I please, your lordship. Well, kindly see the order dated 5/6. Last order, my lord.
Yes, Chishti.
Yes, it is still in the finance department, Lord. The instruction I have given it through mail, Lordship. It is still in the finance has a party. Finance has a officer whole name.
Finance is a party here.
My lord, party. 4, my lord. Opposite party.
Respondent,
Phase 2, my lord.
4.
4.
Jayan Narlika.
Oh, they have appeared, Lordship. Their name is shown. P. Nayak, A. Soliha. Phone period.
Yes.
Lordship,
Where's Chalia?
Lordship can take it after some time.
After some time.
After just some time. I'm calling.
58.
In this case, I have taken steps for Dusty for respondent number 8, Lordship. And I could not file the affidavit, Lordship, because that petitioner has not returned. He is suffering from some ailments, Lordship. So I'll file the affidavit, Lordship. May give me 2 weeks time.
Mr.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed, legal counsel for the petitioner supports that the petitioner has taken steps for service of notice on respondent number 8 by justice and prays for 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit to that effect.
Can a date be
Prays
fixed,
for-
Lordship, after 2 weeks?
Let it come after 2 weeks.
60.
My lord, in this case, my lord, service in respect of respondent number 5 is not complete as per office note dated 23/7, 2024.
You are in the writ petition
Yes, my lord.
and the IA.
I,
IA, have you received a copy? Item 60.
sorry, my lord, my matter is 68, my lord.
Okay. 68.
Lordship, here, IA 2050. Purpose is, I think it's not surviving anymore. So Lordship may take up this matter on this Friday.
IA does not survive.
My understanding goes here, RP Sharma also, senior advocate RP Sharma also appearing Lordship. So that may be fixed on Friday.
Friday.
Friday, Lordship.
My lord, here, my lord, main respondent is SSA, my lord. Their name has to be shown. So their
Yes.
name has not been shown, reflect in the post list.
Are they a party here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Lordship. They are the party.
On request made by MST Som, the counsel for the applicant. This is the matter on. But Friday have fixed many cases
Lordship, long is pending, Lordship. It will not take much of time.
on 26. Registry also directed to reflect the name of the standing counsel SSA in the cost list.
I'm obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
67 of supplementary relief. Order.
In this case, my lord, the dispute is with regard to the in-charge principal, headmaster of the school, my lord. Now, what had happened, although there are no interim orders, my lord, since a case is pending, the authorities are not taking up the regular selection process, although other schools, everyone they have completed. Now, my lord, let this case be pending, my lord. Lordship, if an observation is made that there is no bar to consider for both of them, both the petitioner and the private respondent, for the regular selection of headmaster, my lord. Lordship would see the prayer, my lord, here.
In the
Writ petition, my lord. Page 10. My lord. And also the number of adjournments taken, my lord, by the petitioner, my lord.
is there an interim order?
There is no interim order, my lord. There is no interim order. The first order is 4/5/2019.
God,
Page 10 is the prayer, my lord. It's with regard to the in-charge. Who would be the in-charge headmaster, my lord?
7th March 2019.
Yes, 7 March 2019. No, it's 4th of March, the first order, my lord.
Page.
No, the order, my lord, order.
Order of this court.
4/5/2019. The last paragraph. Pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar for the respondent number 4, Director of Education, to consider the representations of the petitioner. That is the order, my lord. Now, in the meantime, my lord, other schools, my lord, the regular process of headmaster has already been started. Now, because this petition is pending, they're not carrying it out with regard to the petitioner as well as the respondent number 7. Now, let this matter come up for admission, my lord. If there's an observation made, my lords, that pendency of the case shall not be a bar, my lords, if they take up for regular selection also, my lord, of headmaster.
Yes.
May your lordship be pleased, my senior has told me to pass over the matter for today, as he is not feeling well. Just for one day. I have joined my senior just newly, so I don't have the brief of the case.
She's informed me now, my lord. It won't harm any of us, my lord. Even the petitioner will be considered.
Can I pass that order? This
Sir.
problem is.
are completely new in
In
this
that case,
number.
my lord, I won't insist, my lord. In that case, my lord, we fix it for admission. Pleadings are complete, my lord. Next week, only that order, my lord. Because all other in the district of,
Why is it coming for orders?
on the last occasion, my lord's last to last occasion, prayer was made that there are certain developments and they'll file an additional affidavit. The last to last order, the petitioner, but no additional affidavit has been filed, my lord. Otherwise, pleadings are complete, may come up for admission, my lord. The last to last order, my lord.
Otherwise, notice are all complete.
Yes. Everyone, I'm for the private respondent, my lord. 19 matter.
Respondent 7.
7, my lord.
Headmaster,
Headmaster is also represented, my lord.
who's representing headmaster?
Headmaster has already retired, my lord. The earlier headmaster has already retired, my lord.
Okay. On request made on behalf of Mr. R.C. Cycle, then the council of the petition. List the matter
Next week, if it's possible, my lord.
on 1st August.
First, for admissions.
Yeah.
In the admission column.
I'm afraid
If you will list.
respondent 1 and 2.
Standing council.
Secondary.
The judicial appears for respondents. 1 and
Declare.
68.
My lord, in this case, my lord, as per office note dated 23/7/2024, my lord, service in respect of respondent number 5 is not complete, my lord. Hearing no order.
Orders. Mobile पे लगा है सर.
লিখি লৈছিলো যে ৰাতিপুৱা আহি So it may come after the service is complete.
Twenty 2023, that notice was sent. If you keep on waiting, it will never come. If you want to take, you can take fresh steps.
I'll take fresh steps, ma'am.
1 minute. Anyway, the respondent 5 has received the notice. What can be ascertained from the office note? Have you seen the office note?
Yes, ma'am. But respondent number 5 has not filed any affidavit. So I have seen the office note, my lord, that he has sent a letter. My lord. Let me, my lord.
Union High School. What do you want to do?
My lord, so since he has already sent a letter, that means he has received the notice. So, but he has not yet filed any affidavit, my lord. So your lordship may fix up another date so that by then maybe he files an affidavit.
But MS SP Chowdhury, London Council. Peruse the office note dated 23/7/2024. On the perusal of the same form, it can be presumed that the respondent number 5 has been duly served. That notice on the respondent number 5 has been duly served. So, you want time? Thus,
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS does, then the Standing Council Secondary Education Department prays for how much time?
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file contract. Praise and note. Use up to 2 weeks in the admission code.
Obliged. If you're blessed.
56.
56.
His Lordship, here, my learned friend has just given me a copy of the proposal that has been sent to the Finance Department. Lordship, I see 2 weeks time. In the meantime, Lordship, the case of the for waiving of will be processed, my lord. I just see need 2 weeks time to get an update, my lord.
Not don't get an update, ensure that it is, ensure that it's not a big amount, 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs.
Yes, Lordship, here, I am just on the line, I'm just not taking any, cannot give a statement, but yeah, within 2 weeks time, I have obviously, I'm going to come. Last time, madam.
But Mr. F, and you know, Mullah.
Yeah,
Learned
Mullah.
Counsel. Learned Counsel. Mr. H. Alia, Learned Counsel. Appearing on behalf of the respondent number
4, Lordship.
4, prays for 2 weeks time to enable him to receive instructions. Stop. Praise alone. List after 2 weeks.
Hello, the date may kindly be given, madam.
It will come up, it will come up.
Normally does not come, madam.
It will come up.
Obliged, madam.
61 hearing.
Please, your lordship. Actually, in this case, petitioner was appointed as a president of school management committee, lordship. But thereafter, after joining the president lordship, he found that there are many anomalies and corruption is going in the school in the name of midday meal, lordship. Thereafter, the petitioner informed the concerned authority about the anomalies going in the school, lordship. Lordship, thereafter, petitioner is waiting for the any action will taken by the respondent authority, but the respondent authority has issued one impugn order, lordship, at page number 47, lordship, annexure 11, lordship.
My lord, before my respected friend starts, my lord, on the last occasion, the SSA took time to file affidavit, my lord. I don't know whether the affidavit has been received or not.
Affidavit is not received, lordship.
Who is appearing for SS?
My lord, big Gogoi, my lord.
But they have informed me that their part is not required,
Because,
lordship.
my lord, the impugn order had been issued by the, my lord, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhijan Lakhimpur is at page 47.
Lordship.
Their stand is required, but they have not filed any affidavit till date.
Page
47, my lord, annexure 11.
This is for the inspector of schools.
Lordship.
But my lord, he is also holding the post of district program coordinator, RMSA Lakhimpur, my lord. That's why, my lord, this has been represented by the SSA council, my lord. They took time, my lord. In the capacity of DPC and RMSA has been issued, my lord. Lord, if my learned friend want to proceed without the affidavit, I do not have any objection. But my lord, affidavit is required. Why this has been issued? What was the necessity to issue the?
Where's the SSA council?
SSA.
B. Gogoi. You have only one counsel.
Other.
तीन आया तो प्रिपेयर P. Chaudhary, P. Chaudhary.
So I think affidavit is not required, Lordship.
Here states only the standing counsel RMSA. It's not B. Gogoi or anything. Okay, B. Gogoi was happening. B. Gogoi.
Why not can fix it on next Tuesday, Miller, for the final disposal, Miller? In the meantime, if they come up with an affidavit, well.
You're appearing for the SSA. Are you filing affidavit?
Lordship, short date maybe, Lordship. Unless
Okay, heard, Mr.
B. Borgumhai, Lordship.
B. Burgoyne and the counsel for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. B. Gogoi. Then the standing counsel RMSA. Appearing for the respondent number 3. 2 weeks time is allowed to file counter affidavit.
1 week time.
1, 2, and 6 for secondary education.
MSP does. Then the secondary education appears, then the standing counsel secondary education appears for respondents
1, 2, and 6.
1, 2, and 6.
Lord, I am for respondent 7.
And Mr. A. Buyan, Leonard Council appears for respondent number
And
7.
I am for respondent number 8.
And Mr.
MAI Hussain.
Mia Hussain appears for respondent.
Lordship, last sums may be granted, Lordship.
Next, the matter after 2 weeks. It's made clear that no further opportunity shall be given to the respondent number 2 to file contract.
Lordship. That's all.
Obliged.